Yo, 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 yo. What's good? What's good? What's good? Let me just pin the Discord link in the chat. I usually forget, but today I'm going to be on top of it. It's Friday. What's up, Social? Man, Social, you are fast, bro. Oh, my goodness. Social, welcome, 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 brother. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're going to make the most out of today. Mr. R. Yo, Social, Mr. R. Mr. R is consistently here in the mornings, bro. Oh, my goodness. You guys are quick. Shout out to all of you guys, man. Shout out to you all. Let's go ahead and switch it up a little bit. So I've taken a little bit of a glance at the market. Nothing. What's good, Ryuzaki? I've taken a little bit of a glance at the market this morning at certain things. Yesterday, the trade that we were looking at when somebody asked us to do AED CAD, it would have played out. But some of these hit, some of these do not hit. I like to study some pairs a little bit more before I get into a trade. This morning I was looking at SPX 500 to see, right, if it would come into my levels. Same with US 30, but it ended up being, a little, where is it at? There you go. A little unfulfilling, so I didn't touch anything. I was really hoping to be able to get into it, but it didn't work out. So it's Friday, man. Let's see what we can do. Let's make the most out of our Friday. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a great week. How was the trading week for you guys? I think because of all the stuff that happened, I think I took one trade this week. So the other week when we had like 7 trades in a row, they make up for weeks like this when you don't trade. This is why you have to, like, when it's good, but when it gets bad too. You just have to understand the market has seasons. All right, so that's just how it goes sometimes. No big deal. You know what I mean? It is part of trading, so we don't take it too seriously. We don't take it too seriously. All right. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to quit my Google Chrome. Let me see something here, guys. What's good, Marcus? What's good? What's good? What's good? He said, let's go. What's good? Activity monitor. I just want to check something here, guys. Make sure that my stream today will be a lot better than it has been, because recently it's just been like clipping in and out and stuff. It's weird. Super duper weird. Operandi is at 2 gigs. Okay. My computer is fine. I have a lot of RAM on this computer, so I should be good. All right, cool. Everything seems fine, guys. All right. So it's Friday. Let's have some fun. Let's make the most of this. Let's see if we can find anything else to trade. That's what's up. That's what's up. Fire emojis in the chat. That's what's up. We are going to find something to take today. Let's see. Gold. I see you. I'm very, very skeptical of gold, guys. But you guys remember we have this account here. Where is it at? We have this account right here, right? So if we do find some positions, we might be able to take them on that one right there. All right, so let's see what we can find. Let's go down to the 1 minute, see what gold is doing. Let's see what gold is doing. Let's see what gold is doing. I got a lot of things open, guys. Just bear with me here. I'm just trying to manage this. What else are you guys trading this morning, though? What else are you guys trading this morning? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. We got gold. Gold is looking a little interesting. Let's take a look at some other ones. All right, so we got, wait, are you starting to reverse on me now? Are you starting to reverse on me now? Oh boy. All right, let me set an alert for right here, just to be safe. Prices breaking recent swing high. All right, so we have that set up. We have gold. We're gonna see what happens with gold. We'll set an alert as well for this, just so I can analyze other things. Price. All right, I took a short on Euro USD. I'll take a look at that in just a second. In just a second, brother. Have you guys seen that meme that's like, brother, may I have some oats, brother? Have you guys seen that video? That meme. Let's see. Let's take a look. GBP USD. I don't like that pair. I'm not even gonna look there. We were supposed to be trading GBP CHF, which is already moving out of this zone, so I'm not really liking that. We're supposed to do AUD JPY, which is in this territory, but I don't really see anything to go off of. And then we were also supposed to be doing, this is oil. Oh gosh, okay, Euro AUD. Sheesh. That's interesting. We were also supposed to be doing, there was another one, gold, GBP CHF, AUD JPY, and what was the other one? Just took TP on gold for 120 pips. Excellent, bro. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Maximus killing it again. Is he? I didn't check the Discord. Is he? Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to check. We'll post on Discord to prove. Ryuzaki, first off, congratulations to you, brother. We definitely got to celebrate you this morning. You've done very well. Everybody throw some fire emojis in the chat for Ryuzaki for hitting TP on gold. Let's congratulate him this morning.
Congratulations. Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations. Yeah, I celebrate you.
Clap it up, clap it up. Congratulations, congratulations. Fire emojis in the chat for Ryuzaki. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Oh my God.
We're happy for you, brother.
We are extremely happy.
Thank you so much.
We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Love you too, baby. Bye. We're happy for you, brother. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right, guys. Congratulations. Alrighty, 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 alrighty. Alrighty. Congratulations. TP on gold, 120 pips. That's fire. Absolute fire. Let's take a look at gold, actually. So I'm guessing you were selling, right? You were most likely selling. Gotcha. Yeah, you had to be. You had to be. Look at this. I don't know what it is about gold, bro. Gold just doesn't, me and gold don't really par, bro. I'm not the biggest fan of gold. We'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Me and gold, we're not really the best of friends. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps out with the stream. It helps with the algorithm. All right. Wife brought me some breakfast, as always. Guys, my birthday's in a couple weeks, so we got to figure out what we gonna do for my birthday. All right, guys. So Euro USD, somebody mentioned, I believe. So let's go ahead and take a look at you. I think it was Shosho. Shosho mentioned Euro USD. So let's go take a look there. Euro USD. Alrighty. Alrighty. Why does this look very similar to, was it Euro JPY? Which one was it that we were just on? No. We were just on something that had the same type of setup. Anyhow, right off the bat, you can clearly see, clear as day, we have an issue at this area. Price is not able to break this zone. All right, so we have price coming in here, going down, going up, in here, going down. This was our last swing high and our last higher high, technically. And now if price breaks this level, we will officially have a lower low. All right, so we got to wait and see what's going on. We got to wait and see what's going on. But right now, it looks like price is kind of respecting the gaps. You have this gap here that was formed. Price came into there, pushed down. And now we have this one that has formed. Who knows? Price may retrace back into here after breaking these lows and then going back up. So we're going to set an alert. We're going to say price is breaking lows like that. All right. If it does come back into here, I don't know how I'm going to feel about that, to be honest. I technically shouldn't be touching that because it's not breaking lows. You know what I mean? What a weird week. Bro, this week has been absolutely weird. I took, I think, one trade. How old will you be? You will find out. You will find out on my birthday. I will share with you guys. But how old do you guys think I am? Let me start there. How old do you guys think I am? Who knows? Maybe if you guess my age, I'll tell you. I think some people already know here how old I am. Marcus, you can't answer. All right. Oh boy, this is interesting. I'm going to wait for this to close, and I'm going to wait for something else before I hop into this trade. So guys, I'm going to start prepping myself on here. Let's go to gold. Let's see if we can take this trade on gold, guys. All right. Yeah, come in. Is that the wind? I thought somebody was at the door. All right, we're going to start prepping ourselves on gold. Doesn't look too great. Doesn't look too great. Let's see. Let me go back to check. Okay, there we go. There we go. Let me go back to check trading view very quickly. All right. There's two levels. There's these two. All right, I'm going to be careful how I enter this trade. Let's see what happens. Like right here. And then let's do maybe one more. Let's see what happens. No, that's too much. Let's do. All right, guys, we're going to try it for gold. We're just going to see what happens. If price comes into our area, it's a bit of an aggressive entry. Okay, some people said 30, some people said 28, some people said 32, some people said 33. Ooh, we're getting some good guesses here. If gold goes without me, that'd be sad. But this essentially, guys, is going to be almost a 1, 2, 4, I think. Let me go on here real quick and check. I'll tell you guys my age in just a second. Yeah, because if my TP, trying to multitask people, it's been a very weird week. All right, gold, for all I know, can absolutely wipe the floor with us. Everything's been just falling this whole week, right? But 1 to 2 is right here. Okay, and I have it set. Where do I have this set? I have this set all the way up here at 2615. Okay, let me switch back. 2615. 2615. There you go, like over here. So let me do 26. Around right here. Come on, just another. Yeah, whatever. Around right there. So that would actually give us a, yeah, almost a 1 to 4. Yo, did price touch and not tap me in? Bro. Oh my gosh. At this point, if it leaves without us, I'm going to close the. Marcus says 62. Marcus, first off, I said you can't play. I have the same idea. I took an aggressive short entry on the 32nd. If it goes, it goes. Show out here swinging for the fences. Love to see it. Guys, it looks like this is going to leave without us, man. That sucks. That absolutely sucks. It came and like tapped it and then didn't give us much. So it's all good. I don't even want this trade to retrace. I don't want this trade to retrace. I don't want it to come back here. You're already up this far. Like, keep going. Don't even come back. Because if you go like this and come down and then, you know, tap me in, there's a good chance you're just going to continue that way. Gold is not a friend of mine at all. Well, for Euro USD, we're about to hit this level. So that's going to be super interesting. AD cat as well. So yeah, guys, I was hoping to get one trade in here for you guys before the weekend is over. Because gold, whatever you do, just keep going. Don't even look back. Just keep going. Don't even look back. Don't even look back. But guys, I am going to be the person who got it right was, drumroll please, Marquez. I'm turning 62, guys. I'm going to be 62 in a couple weeks. 62 years old. I've lived long enough on this earth to know, I've seen a lot. I've seen a lot. 62, man. Got grandkids. I'm going to 92. No, close guess, but I'm not 92. 62, man. 62. I'm going to be 62 years old. Guys, I'm almost there, man. I can retire in a couple years, man. I'm gonna buy myself a nice boat and a cottage. I also ordered my walker. I ordered my walker for my birthday. So you guys are gonna see me. They see me rolling. You all see me with my walker, just creeping or with my cane. You know what I'm saying, bro, no, hell no. Let me get out of this, bro. Where we at? I do not want gold doing this nonsense. Let me close this trade. Guys, should we close this trade or let it play out? I don't like gold, bro. What do you guys think I should do? Steven said he thought he was in my 40s. Guys. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Oh, shoot. Laughing. Oh, my gosh, bro. You guys, gold is not a fan of mine. If gold is pushing like this, man, we're going to get cooked. Let me go back to TradeView to see what's going on. Oh my gosh, this is the trade that we're in. Oh, yeah. With gold, it's a risky one, bruv. It's a risky one, bruv. I think what I'm going to do, to be quite honest, when gold hits a 1 to 2, like approaching it, I'm going to say, gold is at a 1 to 2. I'll decide there, and then if I'm going to close, if it's going my way. Price is at 1 to 2. Oops. Yeah, you guys, I'm not actually 62 years old. I'm not 62, guys. I'm in my 30s. All right? I'm in my 30s. You guys will find out on my birthday how old I actually am. But I'm in my 30s, guys. I'm not 62. Steven, I have beef with you. You think I'm 40? You think I'm in my 40s, brother? Is it because I haven't had a haircut in a long time? Mans are looking scruffy. You think I'm 40, bro?
What did he say?
40 years old. Ha! Steven, now I know today that you don't like me. Now I know. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, so we had alert on Euro JPY. Ooh, and on here as well. Okay, let's go check out Euro JPY. Let's see what's going on. Price is back in this zone. Let's see. This is gonna be interesting. We have a lot. Euro USD as well. AD CAD. We already had that happen. So let's go to Euro USD because I think Shosho asked about Euro USD. Shosho, here's the thing. Unless price kind of retraces back to here, or maybe even here, we'll see how it closes. If it closes, we might have this gap to play with to continue towards the downside. All right. So I'm going to put an alert here. I'm gonna say price has returned to this gap. All right. In the meantime, gold is, man, you guys, oh my gosh, what a way to end the Friday. Is this going to break my streak? Let's see. Baka Tech Tips said, I just knew you were in your 30s. Shout out to you, Baka Tech Tips. Steven said, bro, my bad, but it was a bad guess. Nah, it's all good, man. I'm just messing with you. You good, bro. Marcus said, Trader is buying US 30. Just saying. He is lying now. Who the? Oh, Trader Tom. Trader Tom is buying US 30. I left US 30 after I didn't make my setup, but we can take a look at US 30 right now. Right now. Let's see US 30. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, there's still not enough for me to hop into US30. You know me, guys. I look for specific setups. It's got to be at certain zones and stuff like that. I mean, there's a lot of areas that price can take, but I'm not a fan of the way price is moving. It is within the 10 o'clock range, so maybe. Also, I would have to take something across from here that's already been mitigated as opposed to something that was in a recent area. So I don't know. We'll wait it out to see. Guys, right now we're in a gold trade. Okay. It's a live trade. We're taking a trade on this account. This is the account that my wife took the trade on and lost, remember? So we're in this trade right now as well. What are we up so far? 58 bucks. Woohoo! But this should give us a one. You know what though, guys? I think if I let this hit TP, we might actually be able to recover everything she lost. Because I'm only risking 0.5% on here, guys. Literally. I'm risking like 0.5% on this trade. So if it hits 2%, we were down 2% though. So this will recover the entire trade. So we'll see what happens. We'll monitor it for now. And then we will take it from there. What's good, fam? What's good, Fauci? What's good? What's good? What's good? Mozart said GBCAS swing trade closed out this morning with 105 pip entry. Bro, you're the second person today to hit TP. Congratulations to you guys. Put some fire emojis in the chat for FC Mozart. Let's sing congratulations to him. His favorite song. Mozart, this one is for you.
Congratulations.
Fire emojis in the chat, guys. Fire emojis in the chat.
I am happy for you. Like play, you have come this far.
Too late. This song is for you.
Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations. Yeah, I celebrate you.
Clap it up for FC Mozart. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
We are extremely happy for you, bro.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Congratulations for hitting TP. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. I think I missed the comment before we went down. Fauci said, what you saying, dog? I'm chilling, Fauci. What you saying? Mr. Arts, I'm also thinking of a gold buy. Well, gold is kind of pushing, man. It's acting weird though, so I don't know what to tell you. I entered based on certain things I look for, so it's starting to push. Might be good. It's totally up to you. Fauci is crying. He also put fire emojis in the chat. Marcus said, all my life savings on gold again. Yo, Marcus, please. Last time we struggled to recover a little bit, and I think we ended up failing. Please don't bet your life savings again, bro. Please. But then again, you rich like that. You know what I'm saying? You could afford it. Terrell Joseph said fire. Yo, shout out to you, Terrell Joseph. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the live. If you guys are new, hit the like button and please join the Discord. We have the best people in there. FC Moses said, hey Marcus, stop all that beefing with that faker dude. Bro, that's for you, Marcus. That's between you and Mozart. Terrell Joseph put some more emojis. Shout out to you, Terrell Joseph. Right now you carrying the chat. Fauci said don't kill me. Fauci said I'm dead. And then Elias Maloma said Doom Lang. I don't know if that's... Oh, guys, we're about to hit TP on Take Profit 2. So what should we do? Because we have this trade open right now, right? Should we... Let me do two of these. Okay. This will be a 1 to 2 right here. Should we close out at a 1 to 2? Or should we let it run to a 1 to 4 to... You know what I mean? To let it... What should we do? Should we do a 1 to 2 or should we let it go to a 1 to 4? What do you guys think? Let me put it in the chat. Dom Lang, I don't know what that means. I'm assuming it's hi in another language. If it is hi, good morning. What's up to you? In fact, to all my people who are in the live or in the chat now, I never got to say good morning to you guys. So good morning, my lovely people and my lovely pineapples.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Oh, jeez. Good morning, good morning. Good morning to you guys. Good morning to everybody, man. Good morning, my people. Welcome to Foreign Family. Welcome back to the chat. Welcome back to the live. Black also said good morning. Fauci said foreign. You sound like you from the ends, the West End. That's a good guess. Where do you think I'm from? Where do you think I'm from, bro? I'll tell you in a sec. I already told everybody how old I'm gonna be in a couple weeks because my birthday's popping up. I'll tell everybody where I'm from as well. Mozart, I didn't want to do it, but these fans. Okay, got you. TSV said 1 to 2 is fine. I would say Fauci's crying again. I will focus on positive this weekend. I promise. Hold it for all time high. Scarborough fam. Not quite. But I am Canadian, so at least you're very warm on that. Got you guys. I'm gonna put a poll in the chat real quick to see if I should hold the trade to 1 to 4 or to a 1 to 2. What TP should we hold for? And I'm gonna say 1 to 2 or 1 to basically 4. Oh, you guys are about to hit TP. What should we do? Should I take the money and leave, or should I hold it to a 1 to should I hold it for a 1 to 4? What should I do, guys? Guys, vote. Let me know. There is 14 people in here. Let's get some votes. All right. Most people are saying 1 to 2. Most people are saying 1 to 2. Let's see what happens. If it's a 1 to 2, we'll close. We will leave with a good streak on Friday. We'll recover half of what my wife lost, and then we'll have to recover the rest probably either on another trade or on Monday. All right. All right, we have 8 votes in here. Let's get a couple more votes. 9 votes. Let's get a couple more votes. What should we do? 10 votes. Okay, there's 15 people in here. Let's get a couple more. Let's get like 2 or 3 more, and then we'll close the poll. What should we do? 1 to 2 or 1 to 4? What should we do, guys? What should we do? Let's get 2 more votes in here, guys. 2 more votes. 2 more. Okay, 1 more vote, guys. 1 more vote. 1 more vote, and we are good. 1 more vote, and it seals the deal. 1 more vote, guys. 1 more person. Okay, now we have 12 votes and 12 people in here. All right, so it is official. 1 to 2 RR. So I'm now going to move my stop loss to this level here. Or just close it. There we go, guys. TP hit. All right, guys. We hit a 1 to 2. We just recovered $260, which is about 1% on this account, guys. There you go. All right, would it hit a 1 to 4? Maybe, but we hit a 1 to 2. We recovered half of what my wife lost. So I got to text her and be like, we made back the money. You can go buy your bag now. Because she wanted to buy a bag. She's like, if I win the trade, I want a bag. I'm like, all right. Let me go back to the chat. Let's see. FC Marcus said, "I'm Marcus agents." Okay, that's for Marcus. We'll leave that between those two. Take 80% and let the rest run. Oh, that was. You know what? I should have done that. To be quite honest. Steven said, "I don't trust gold, bro. Close." Yeah, I'm with you. Gold. I told you guys I didn't want to trade any gold, but so far, you know, we're 1 for 1 in our forex series. We're trading, guys. For those of you who don't know, we are trading 4 pairs for this forex challenge. Okay, we're gonna try and pass this challenge. Once we get above a 1 to 1, we're gonna start risking full percentages, 1%, and we will take it from there. All right, so right now we're going to be trading AUD JPY, Euro JPY, GBP CHF, and gold. All right, those are the 4 that we're going to be trading. Oh yeah, we have to play the congratulations song. Gold hold, somebody said. All right, congratulations, I got you. WK Dot's in the building. What's good, K Dot? Time to play our congratulations songs, guys. We hit TP on gold, so congratulations not only to me, but to everybody who was here for the trade and everybody who said we should close the trade. Congratulations to you guys. Fire emojis in the chat. Congratulations, everybody.
Congratulations. You have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations. congratulations. Yeah, I celebrate you.
Clap it up, everybody. Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
We're extremely happy today, aren't we, guys?
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
All right, guys. Congratulations. We hit TP and now price is reversing. Yeah, gold. Gold is one heck of a... But it should still probably go up, to be quite honest. But, guys, we do this live. Fauci's still crying. Thank you, guys, for all the fire emojis in the chat. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. We're doing it live, guys. You know what I'm saying? Like, everything over here is transparent. I'm doing it in front of you guys for you to see that... You know what I mean? I showed you guys how I marked it up. So I'm going to probably do a breakdown for those who didn't get to see it live. I'll probably do a breakdown as to why I took it at this specific level, why we took this trade. But this is how I trade, guys. I was supposed to take a trade today on US 30. And what ended up happening is that US 30 didn't give me what I wanted. So I was patient. I'm like, let me just take a step back and just be patient. I took a look at a bunch of different ones. Didn't see anything. Saw gold. I'm like, okay, gold at one point was basically, you know what I mean? Like it was reacting really nicely around here at this gap. Didn't really do nothing much with it. But then it came back into the zone where it's already previously tested. And as you can see, it seems to be responding pretty well. You guys, with trading, you never know. Everything is probability. Every single thing. All we're trying to do is find the best areas with the highest percentage of trades going our direction. That's it. All right, guys. So for everybody who's winning this week, I think yesterday Maximus was up 33% on a funded account, bro. 33K he has in profit right now. When Maximus gets a payout, I'm going to hit him up and be like, bro, what you saying, bro? What you saying? Because I'm going to need some of that money. You know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding. I don't need his money. But that was amazing. K-Dot's been doing really well. Shosho's been doing well. We have, there's another one. Abdul does really well. And we have another person in here that usually shows us his trades. NT Sako does very well as well. NT Sako at play. We're going to see. He's probably going to be in here at some point. All right, guys. We were holding to this level, basically. So it was going to be like a 1 to 4. No, like a 1 to 3, right? Or was it up here? It was closer to a 1 to 4. But anyways, we'll just hold it to right here because there's a gap right there. So I don't want to play with that. You guys, gold is doing really well. Gold is doing really well. Now, if you notice, I'm not stressing over the fact that I didn't hold. I took what I wanted to take. I'm happy. No FOMO. It's all good. Yeah, I could have made twice as much. It's cool. We'll get them on the next one, guys. As long as we keep maintaining a 1 to 2, we'll be all right. That's all that it is. You know what I'm saying? So, who knows? Maybe we can find one more trade before we... You know what I mean? Before today's over. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what some of these other guys are doing. This is finally starting to break these lows. So who knows? We might be able to find something there. But I don't like GBP USD. So I ain't finna touch that. Oh my gosh. You're JPY. Okay. Not too shabby. We'll wait it out. We'll wait it out. So I'll keep that open so I can... I already had that open. Look at me. All right. Let's add an alert here just so we can kind of get an idea of what's happening. Price is breaking lows, okay? And then up here I'll say price is breaking highs. All right? Yeah, so that way, whichever direction it goes, I can follow along. In the meantime, let's check out other things as well. Let's see what's happening here. Price, I already missed this gravy train, so I'm going to leave that alone. AUD JPY came back into this zone and actually started pushing up. Let's see if we got what we were looking for. We didn't really get what I was looking for, so yeah, we're going to leave that alone. Even though it's reacting to our zone, that's pretty cool, but it's not what I was looking for. Guys, with trading, just be patient with your setups. Take those setups you know and love and are familiar with. Don't gamble. It's never worth it. It's never worth it. A lot of these pairs are moving the same today at these zones. Euro AUD might be going closer to that level. I'm going to leave that alone, though. Bro, I think that's it for today. Unless you guys have a different pair that we haven't looked at just yet. Oh, Tom Allgart might be right, Marcus. Look what's happening. Did this just happen? Oh, my gosh. Guys, look at this. This is kind of my setup. Here's what I will do. No, you know what? I've already won for the day. I'm not going to be greedy, but we can take a paper trade. If price starts retracing back in here, I might get into this trade. But I got to look at something first, though. What is the cause of this? Yeah, this area, I don't know. But yeah, price is pushing, bro. That thing gone. Yeah, we'll leave it alone. For now. I was waiting for this to happen all the way up in these areas, and it didn't. It did not at all. All right, let me go back to the chat. Facts, send me some bread. For real. I'm at forex for your USD. Should I close? Yes, show. If you're up 4R, what else are you waiting for? What was your initial? I'm aiming for 6x. Okay, listen, do what somebody else recommended, which is what I sometimes do. Close 80%, let the rest ride. Move your stops to break even after that, if you really want. All right. Mr. RSA, yeah, right, man. The secret sauce is in trading psychology and risk management. Bro, couldn't have said it better myself. That literally is the secret sauce. Keda said, follow your strat. Exactly, follow your strat. If it tells you to wait till 6-8. True. If that happens sometimes to move, happens around 11 a.m. Oh, yeah, that's true. Yeah. You're so right. This is stuff that usually happens at 11 a.m. for real. That whole reversal. So. Okay. Let's go back. Oh my God. All right. So. I'm gonna. One sec, guys. Okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens. US 30, we missed that gravy train. It's all good. Gold is starting to reverse a little bit. Will they actually hit full TP? We don't know. We will see. All right, guys. I think this week I'm 2 for 2. I think. So. Without my wife's trade, I'm now 9 for 9, guys. I haven't lost a trade in 9 trades. I'm having my best trading period ever. I don't think I've ever gone 9 in a row. And guys, I say this to say it's all thanks to you guys, because before I was only trading US 30. So you know what that means? That means a bunch of these days where price has been crazy, I have nothing to trade. But since you guys were like, hey, please try forex, please try gold. We've been trying, and look what happened. We hit TP today on gold. And a couple, trades ago, there was one day where we hit a trade on Euro JPY. We hit it on three specific forex pairs. That's where my streak really started to go crazy. And it's thanks to you guys. You guys started telling me, try your strategy on forex. Try trading forex. See if it works. Blah, 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 blah. I'm like, all right. And now look. All right, guys. So here's the thing. If this pushes past, I should be waiting for this low to break. But if it goes past right here, I might get in aggressive. Elias Maluma said, how do you do it? I have never made money trading intraday time frames. Only make money on the H4 daily. Bro, I've been trading for 4 years now. Okay? I used to get washed by the markets every single day. And essentially what happened was, this is the thing that used to happen to me the most. Okay, I'm gonna make this super short so you don't get lost in the whole thing. But let's say I would enter here, right? Just like what I'm anticipating, and price would do this. Price would come, go down a little bit like this, think it's going, and then boom, take me out. And I would keep saying to myself, and then after it takes me out, right, it would do this. And I keep saying to myself, why do I keep getting stopped out before it goes? And literally that question changed my entire life. Me trying to figure out why price does what it does at the certain zones, why I'm getting into early, all that stuff, made me understand what it is that the price, what the market does before it starts moving in its intended direction. That's number one. Number two, risk management. I think it was K-Dot who said it. We preach this all the time on this channel. Risk management is literally 80% of trading. It doesn't matter what I'm trading and how I trade it. If my risk management is solid, I will still be decently profitable. You guys will see, those of you who trade with me here, you see sometimes we look at, like we'll look at a pair like this, for example. I hope you're still here, by the way, Elias Maloma, just so that you can hear the full answer. But look, these are like flags. Sometimes you'll see us have like triangles and stuff on here. All these retail strategies that people crap all over saying they don't work. Your TP is my, your stop loss is my TP and all that stuff. We trade all of that and it works. Everybody here on the chat, in the chat, will tell you we trade that and it works. Why? Because risk management, right? There's 3 things that help me to become profitable. 3 things. All right. Elias, if you're still in here, I say this all the time. First thing was understanding market structure. Why can't I market structure? Okay, there you go. Structure. Yeah. Okay. That was the first thing. Market structure. Because without market structure, the difference, what I found is that the difference between me with trades going in my direction versus not my direction is me not knowing market structure and knowing, I guess I should add this as well. Where are we at just now? Second thing was market direction. I know it sounds so dumb, but I'm telling you the honest truth. If you master these 2, there's nothing you can't trade. That's why flags will work for you. That's why pennants will work for you. That's why Fibonacci's will work for you. That's why everything will work for you, because you understand market structure and market direction. Let me give you a better example. Okay, price was doing what? Price was going up, right? Giving us higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, lower low. This is referred to as a change in character because price broke this intermediate low. So this sometimes symbolizes to us that we might be starting bearish market structure. What's bearish market structure? Instead of having higher highs and higher lows, we now have a lower high and a lower low, a lower high and a lower low. When you understand what price is doing, where it is in the market and what it's starting to do, you can anticipate its next move. So over here, you can see that price was making higher highs and higher lows. What happened here? Price came down, broke this low, okay? And we are now anticipating that somewhere in this gap, it might pull back and go down because it looks like it's going to start making bearish movement. Why do we take the trade here? Because even though we might be forming bearish structure, we are still in a long-term, very strong bullish trend, which means that this move might actually be a retracement. So how do we know that? When we, let me add the third part to here. We identify what people call POIs, or in other words, points, right, of interest. I can't type today, guys. I'm sorry. Points of interest. That's what we're looking for. What does that mean? That means whether price is retracing or continuing the same direction, we want to look for areas where that would most likely be. For me, I look at gaps in the market, fair value gaps. So for example, all this morning I was looking at gold. Gold was kind of acting weird around here. I thought I might be able to take it up. It pushed upwards where I marked initially right here. This gap right here. It initially pushed up right here. You can see in this 15-minute candle, it pushed up, but it didn't give me what I was looking for, so I didn't enter the trade. So price violated this gap, eventually came down here. I started looking for other areas. How you know which point of interest will work is when it gets there, it starts to act different. So when price came down into this area right here, I zoomed into the 1 minute. That's it. Came into my area, and this is my pattern that I always look for. Prices give me right, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. Okay, and then right at the bottom here, I could see that price was trying to push. Now, this was an aggressive entry. Let me get rid of this real quick for you guys. Okay, just so you can see clearly what I'm doing. This was an aggressive entry. Technically, I should be waiting for price to break this high before getting into buys. But I have traded for so long, and I understand how price moves at these zones, you know, really well, to the point where I'm like, okay, you know what? If price starts pushing up here with a bit of momentum, with some volume, and it starts breaking this area right here, I'm going to get in. So this is my pattern. I wait for lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then eventually a higher high after a lower low. And then I take the retracement upwards. That's it. That's it. Some people say it's kind of like head and shoulders. Others say it's the Quasimodo. Others say it's a chotch. I don't care what you call it. This is what I trade. Okay, so what happened was that when price, you guys can see, let me actually go back with the replay real quick. When we got to this level, I started to see how price was moving. And I'm like, nah, if price starts breaking this candle, essentially like right here, right? I'm in. And then what happened? Price broke. And I waited for it to retrace back into the gap. It retraced into the gap, and that's all we wrote. All she wrote. That's it. All right. So that's how I trade. So how I now trade, and people say they hate 1 minute charts because it's too noisy. Let me tell you what I trade on a regular. You see this type of this craziness right here? This type of absolute insanity. Let me show you. I think we can go back to yesterday. I'll show you how I could have taken the trade yesterday. I think yesterday was a good point. I just wasn't on the market at the time. Yeah, let's do this. In fact, let's go back one more bar. Let me show you guys exactly how price moves every day at 9:30 on these indexes. Okay, so here's my marked out zone. This is my gap that I've marked out, right? I'm waiting for price to get to this level. Look at what happens. So price is moving, you know, fairly normally. It's a bit of a big candle, nothing too crazy, but price is moving standard. You see the size of the candles are nothing too crazy. Then it starts to pick up. Why? US market open for the stock market is directly tied to the index pairs. They're derivatives of the Dow Jones, of the SPY, or whatever, NQ or QQQ, it doesn't matter. They're derivatives. And NAS 100, SPX 500, and US 30, okay? They are the derivatives of these basket of our indexes from the stock market. So every day at 9:30, when the New York Stock Exchange opens up, we get a lot of volume. And right before it, I'm going to go to your JPY in just a sec. Right before it, people start bidding or selling. And so you can see volume starts to change a little bit, right? Look at these candles. Look how they're forming. 918 is slowing down a little bit. Watch what happens as we approach 930. So here we are at 927, 928, 929. Look at this candle, right? 930. So what happens for me is, look, you see what I'm saying? So what happens for me is that I started to learn with these pairs that if I'm on the right side, and if you guys ever see me trade indices, you see like at the break of right here, I'm already in. Because I know I wouldn't do this on other pairs, but for this, I know it so well that once it starts moving a certain way, I already know where we're going. You can check some of my challenges on the Forex Funder. I used to get, and I still do to this day, when I used to set my pending orders, price would come and tap here just like this. I kid you not, I have trades like this recorded live. Price would tap my trade like this. I only risk a 1 to 2, but it usually goes to like a 1 to 10, no lie. And like in like 2 minutes, I'm out the trade. That's how much I know these pairs. And so people hate the 1 minute. For me, it's like having a surgeon's scalpel. It's very accurate for me because I know what to look for. I look at higher time frames, work my way down. And when it gets to my area, I know exactly what I'm looking for. I know what to do when it comes to my area. So that was a bad example as to how I trade, but that's simply it. So once I identify the market trend basically, or the market structure, whichever one I do first, once I understand where we're going and how price is forming, I know how to take my setup. And ask these guys who have been following me for so long, I do this all the time. I don't change the way I trade. It's the same setup each and every day. So here's going to be another prime example. I told you guys to get in aggressively. If price started breaking here, I would get in, right? Because if this was an index pair, I already know we're zooming. Now, I'll tell you one thing that I would look for. You see how price kind of like came down here but didn't really push? To me, that's not a good sign. I would wait. If I was actually watching this live and waiting to get into a trade, this wouldn't be enough for me. I need it to move with volume if it's an index pair. Fauci said I'm a sniper. I appreciate it. Some days I have sniper trades and some days they're very choppy. Today, the one that we won with gold wasn't the best. Let me get rid of this real quick. Wasn't the most sniper. We got in right here, right? So it's not too bad. And look, price is about to hit our TP, which was supposed to be right here that we set for this gap right here that's on the other side. So I would have also hit TP on this one if I had held. But we decided as a chat to close at 1 to 2. Okay? So this is how I trade every day. Everybody sees me do this every single day. I do it live. And what I'm starting to do is I am starting a Forex series because I never used to trade Forex, only indices. I only trade indices. US 30, NAS 100, SPX 500. I don't trade nothing else. But the chat is like, bro, try Forex. So we're going to be doing a challenge where we're going to be trading this account for 30 days, and we're going to see if we can pass the challenge. We were basically at, this is a 25K account. We were basically at 25K, and then my wife, I let my wife take a trade. That was like full margin. She lost like 400 or so in like 2 seconds. Not in like 2 seconds, like 2 minutes, right? So now I have to recover what she lost and then build it up from there. All right, so basically, since she lost 400 yesterday, I just took a trade this morning live so that you guys could see, and we've made back what my wife, well, half of what she lost, right? So, and the next ones I'm going to do this. But long story short, I'm doing this for 30 days. It's going to be live in front of you guys every day. We took the first one today live. We won a 1 to 2. And then Monday, we're going to try and recoup unless we see another trade before 11. Here's another thing as well. I have hard rules. I will never take a trade after 11 on indices. Ever. I don't care what the setup looks like. After 11 o'clock, I'm done. Because I have 4 years worth of backtesting data that tells me 11 o'clock price reverses. And volume is not great. So my setups don't work. I also don't trade on Tuesdays. Why? Because when I was doing backtesting, when I was trading on Tuesdays, my winning rate on Tuesdays were low. It was like 10% or something like that. So when I took it out of the days, my winning rate went up to like 70 something percent. So I realized Tuesdays just ruining my win rate. So I got rid of Tuesdays and I became profitable. All right. So I have hard rules. Okay. So we just hit TP2, I guess, on gold. We did that live. Euro JPY. We're going to see what happens with that. Again, we didn't enter this, but if it gives me what I'm looking for, I'll enter it live for you guys to see as well. All right. So Elias Maloma, I hope that answered your question. It was a bit of a long rant. I apologize, but I hope it answers your question. Shosho said, yeah, I'm also practicing the 35 and 1 second time frame. Wow, I've never actually tried those. I wonder, maybe I will give it a shot one day. It's not that scary, to be honest. If you know what you're doing, it's not that scary. Bob FX said, hello, finally off. What's good, Bob? Welcome back. Welcome back. You've been missing some crazy stuff, bro, but glad to have you back, bro. Glad to have you back. Hey, listen, good morning to everybody in the Foreign Money family. All my lovely foreigners, all my pineapples. Good morning to you guys.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We've had a great morning, guys. I am officially 9 for 9. I've taken 9 trades in the last week or so, and I've made them all, including the ones that you guys have seen me take live. 9 for 9. Now, guys, by the way, those of you who've been with me from the beginning, you already know I'm not a guru. I'm not even a teacher. I'm not on here because I am mastered Forex. I'm a guy who was learning trading, who wanted to document his journey. I ended up coming live just to show what I do when I'm trading, and it ended up becoming this. So please, if you see me entering trades or doing an analysis, take it with a grain of salt. Do your own research. Do not take my trades as signals, and I'm not an expert or a guru, okay? I'm just a student of the game. All right, but yes, glad to have you guys back. Elias said, well articulated. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much. Fauci's laughing at the good morning song. TSV said, did you have any issues with psychology in the beginning? Bro, of course. Listen, I used to enter trades and start shaking. I don't like to listen. I would rather lose money than be wrong. I know it sounds kind of, because if you lose money and you're wrong, they kind of tied hand in hand. But sometimes, here's the thing. Sometimes you can be wrong about a trade in a sense, and it's still kind of like you could still get lucky, right? So for example, I could say, oh, I don't think this trade is going to sell, right? I think we're gonna buy because based on everything I'm seeing, this isn't a buy, but I'm just putting a sell to have fun, and then this trade could end up winning. So I was wrong, but I made money. I'm one of those guys that because of how my life has been, I don't like to be wrong. It's just, I'm one of those guys, I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to certain things, so I don't like being wrong. Trading, you have to get used to being wrong. You have to get used to losing. 2 things I hate in my soul is losing and being wrong. And so in the beginning, my psychology was jacked. Guess what I was doing? First off, I start off by saying, I know you guys have all been through this. Correct me if I'm wrong. When you first start trading, right? You first go, you watch all the videos on strategies and you see everybody teaching you strategies. You get the first guy's like, today I'm going to teach you how you can become a millionaire trading Forex. So let me tell you guys, and he gives you the whole spiel and you're like, oh my God, you start looking up Lamborghinis. All right, cool. Once you start learning a strategy and stuff, you get into the market. When you watch people trade on YouTube, you see them holding their trades for long positions. So what happens when you start trading? You get into a trade, you're like, yeah, I'm holding. Right? I'm learning to hold. You're like, I'm going to hold because these guys, they hold and they make like 10,000. You start holding and price keeps reversing on you. You start to get scared now of holding, right? You start to get scared of holding. So now when price, you see what I'm saying, starts to go down a little bit. And because you're new, what are you looking at? You're looking at the P&L. Oh my God, I'm up $20, right? Free money. Meanwhile, you're risking like 500. Like, oh my God, I'm up $20. What do you want to do? You want to close. In the beginning, you'll hold a little bit. But after price reversing on you about 5-6 times, you're like, nah, I'm not holding. Here's what you're going to end up doing. You're going to start closing trades early. You're up $20. You're like, you know what? No, it's all good. And you feel good. You're like, I just made $20. You feel like you just won the Grand Prix, right? And then what will happen is that you're going to say to yourself, shoot, I lost 500 on one trade, but I've only made $100 because I kept closing at $20. You're like, you know what? What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold again. So what will happen is that you'll start to notice this next. Whenever you get into a trade like this, price will, go down, go up, take you out, and then go down. So guess what we start doing? When price is going up, we start moving our stop loss. It goes up some more, we start moving our stop loss. We go up some more, we start losing our stop loss. Before we know it, a $500 trade is at like minus 3K. And then when we lose the whole trade, we just go lay somewhere and cry, right? So what happens is that because of fear and pain, our psychology becomes jacked. We start trading like we're in war. We start trading like this is a real life and death type situation. Even though you're not seeing like that, your mind is mentally scarred from the losses. So your psychology becomes absolutely jacked. So what you need to do, I had this conversation with Marcus already. Marcus is somebody, when he's in a trade right now, like he's adding positions, he's managing the trade. You know what I used to do? If you guys watch my earlier videos, the second I put in a trade, headphones off, computer off, I walk away. I set an alert on my phone. I'm only returning to the trade if I hear a ding. And that ding is either going to say stop loss hit or TP hit, nothing else. You must control yourself. Every time you get into trade, look what happened when we were in gold. When we first got into gold, you guys were there. We first got into gold. I'm going to go back just a little bit. What happened when we first entered the trade? First, the trade took off without us, okay? It went like this. It was supposed to put us in. It didn't tap us in. It went like that. I said, okay, at this point, you might as well go. I was talking to you guys. I'm asking, should I close the trade? Then it tapped us in. All right, cool. When it tapped us in, what happened? It's going down. You're like, okay, now it's going up. Then it's going down again. Okay, then it's going down again. At these points, guess what you want to do? You want to close because you're like, bro, I know gold. Gold is going to take me out. It's probably going to reverse. All these things are going through your mind. So you're going to keep like, you know what? That's it. I'm out. And as soon as you close your trade, what happens? It goes to TP. So let it do what it's supposed to do. You already calculated the risk. You've done your analysis. As a trader, let me tell you guys right now, your job is one thing or two. Show up every day. Every day, because you work in the markets. It's your job. It's your profession. And then when your trade shows up, if you fail to take the setup, that is when you have failed as a trader. When you fail to take the setup, not when you lose money. Losses are part of it. Everybody knows when you do your back testing, it tells you, excuse me, it tells you, right, that you can go 3 trades in a row while losing. I was telling you guys the other day, I had taken 6 positions. It was a total of 3%. I had lost. I have never been there before. But my strategy tells me if I keep at it, I'll make it all back. I made it back up in like a couple days because my strategy tells me that it's profitable and consistent. If I keep at it, I will overall be profitable. You see what I'm saying? Let your trades play out the way it's supposed to. Follow your trading plan to the T and let it play out. Once you do that, you will see profitability. You see what I'm saying? So I used to walk away. I would not touch my trades at all because I treat myself in the market like I can't trust myself. I tell myself, yo, foreign, listen, if you're staring at the charts, you're going to touch the trade. Leave it alone. Walk away. Walk away. You see what I'm saying? So this is what I did to help my psychology. So I built a system, and the system was basically this. Once you identify the market direction, look for market structure, right? Showing you things are about to change or whatever. Look for a point of interest. And then when the setup or the trade pattern or whatever shows up at that point of interest, take the trade no matter what. That's my job. So you guys, I had a psychology trading book, a psychology grade book, and I would check off some things. Did I take the trade today? Did my setup show up? Did I close early? Things like that. That's how I used to grade myself at some point. Okay, that's how I used to grade myself at some point. You guys, I have a bunch of templates that I'm going to be releasing on the site. Those of you who don't know, we have a site coming up. It's actually open right now, but it's just, let me see if I can find it for you guys. Here you go. Here's the site, okay? You can book a one-on-one call. Here is going to be, remember, I'm working on an app for you guys. There's going to be a free course here, and we're going to have these like packages and stuff, but don't mind the price and the feature stuff. None of these things are legit. I'm going to have to work on it. But basically, anybody who books a call or whatever the case is will get access to a bunch of things. Everything I do is free. My Discord is free. The trading stuff I do every day that I'm teaching, everything is free. Everything is free. The only thing I'll charge you ever for is if you want one-on-one coaching, right? Because that's my time. That takes away from my other business and stuff, which is actually how I make majority of my money. You see what I'm saying? So that's the only thing. Other than that, bro, everything I do is free. Anyways, coming back to this, long story short, I had a system that helped me to stay on path, stay focused, and that's how I became consistent. Once I started you know how many times I would say to myself, bro, this trade doesn't look like it's gonna work, and that's the one where I get the most sniper entries. Don't go with your gut feeling. Don't go with what you think is gonna happen. Don't go with what you feel. You know, people say at some point you get in tune with the markets, and it's true. I'm feeling that right now, but don't let that be your strategy. Okay, some days you're not gonna do great. There was a trade that I was supposed to take the other day. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. But long story short, I was supposed to take this trade the other day. Even though it went in my direction, I didn't take the trade because I told Marcus mentally I wasn't really in the right space, so I didn't touch it. Okay, can you guys see me, by the way? I'm seeing all of a sudden. Okay, cool. The numbers just froze. I don't know if my stream is freezing. If you guys could see me, let me know. In the meantime, I'm going to get back to these comments real quick, like over trading, revenge trading, etc. If so, how did you fix it? Yeah, so revenge trading, very good question. Revenge trading was a massive problem for me as well, right? And even the other day, I was telling Marcus, so when we took this trade here, where my wife lost like $400, right? I'm like, bro, I want to start off this account with a clean slate. I don't want to be down to start this trading series, right? So a part of me is like, yo, bro, you know what you're doing. Just go in there and look at some setups and take the trade, bro. And like risk, like, let's say 1% or maybe even 2%. And I was like, nah, bro. I literally said to myself, you're in the mood to revenge trade. So walk away. So I closed my trading apps and I walked away. Okay. How I got to this point is because, again, I developed a system that said, if I fail to do these things, I have failed as a trader. And after practicing that over time, my discipline became better. As I became more disciplined, I realized follow your strategy and you will make money. How I got funded, how I got payouts, all of that was just from following my strategy. Every time I deviate from it, I start to lose. So I literally fixed my revenge trading because I used to revenge trade like no tomorrow. You know what happens when you put in, especially when it was back in the day, we didn't have prop firms, right? So you would put your real money into the markets. You know what happens when you put your real money into the markets and you lose? You're like, nah, bro, I'm making that back right now. So what do? You risk 20%, now you're going to risk 40. So you can make it back up, right? Eventually you learn that that's not the way. If you just look at percentage instead of profit, you will do much better. When I lose a trade, I understand I'm only losing 1%. Remember, those of you guys who were live the other day when my wife was on stream, what did I say to you guys? I'm like, guys, don't worry about it. Because my wife was like, oh my God, is that bad? Like I lost so much money. I said, babe, we're going to get it on the next one. We're good. And if I had held, we would have already made back what she lost, right? But we made back half, which is fine because I risked 0.5%. If I'm below the threshold, the starting point of a challenge, I risk 0.5% until I'm up. When I'm up and I'm up like maybe 1%, I start risking 1% per trade. And if I start a brand new trade and I'm taking my first shot, I'm going to risk 1% because I want to get a good start. You see what I'm saying? But risk management, right? Anyways, how I fixed my trading psychology and revenge trading and things like that, that's how I did it. Okay, I created a system that I had to strictly follow and it helped me to become disciplined. Alrighty. Bob FX said, yo, have you seen how bad GoFunded trade spreads are? Bro, I was talking about them the other day. They're just not great for anything. Customer service sucks. Trading conditions are not great. So I can imagine how horrible it is. Shosho's laughing. Professor, morning fam, glad to join today. Morning, Professor, glad to have you back. John Zulu said, you start looking at Lambos, bro. We all do it, all right? You start looking at the nearest Lambo dealership. You're like, bro, I'm about to make this bread, right? You're ready to start buying Lamborghinis. Tembi said, fear is real, man. Absolutely. By the way, those of you who are new, welcome to the live. Welcome to the Discord, the family. Welcome to the chat. Join the Discord if you're new. And I didn't get to say good morning to some of you who are new. So good morning, my lovely foreigners. Good morning, my pineapples.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, my lovely people. Hope you guys are having a great trading week, and I hope your weekend is even better. K-Dot said, how's everyone's trades went today? You were here for mine, so, I already showed you that. But for everybody else, you could respond to K-Dot. He said, for me, at least, this week's been a little messy for me. Yeah, this week was really bad. I only took 2 trades. Mr. R said, yeah, true, bro. I'm applying all guys' strategies on chart and at Beggy. I am changed after watching Mark Douglas' psychology speech. Now I'm only back testing one strategy. Very good for you. I'll talk about that in a bit. I just don't want to get too much off on tangent. Fauci said, yeah, we see you We see you. Okay, good. Thank you, Fauci. Appreciate you. We're good. We see you. Okay, thank you guys, Professor. Vanch said, hi, man. What's good, Vanch? Welcome back to the chat. Welcome back to the live. Welcome back to the family. Titan said, what's good, boss? What's good, Titan? You too. Welcome back. Good morning. Welcome back, all of you guys. What prop do you recommend? I've used most of them. To be honest, the best experience I've ever had was with FTMO and the 5%ers. I'm also currently trading with Alpha Capital Group, but recently trading conditions was a little sus, so I can't even recommend them. Those are the only two that I can really recommend for now. Fauci said, when did you start becoming profitable? Excellent question. So when I started becoming profitable, I can tell you guys right now. I was trading for 4 years. I traded 2 years, all my own money, personal capital, all that stuff, right? And then I realized that, bro, it's just not working. So I took a year off. I'm like, bro, I knew I'm not giving up. I'm just like, I need to just come back to this because I love trading. I don't know what it is. I just love trading. So I was like, let me just, you know what, because I have to also focus on business and everything that my wife and I were building at the time, because it hasn't always been blessed for us. You know what I mean? It's been really rough. So I have to still make an income and all those things. So I'm like, you know what, let me just focus. So I took a year off. Okay. I started in 2020. I took a year off after 2022, came back at like the beginning of 2023 type thing, or late 2023, something like that. Long story short, I did not see profitability until like late 2023. Okay. I did not see profitability until I saw like around late 2023, as I started following my strategy and stuff. I was passing challenges, I was getting payouts, everything was consistent. So that year off helped me to clear my mind and helped me to just come back with a fresh slate. Okay. And that's when I think I started my first profit in 2022, but that's when I started to see progress in my trading. So basically it took me 3 years to find profitability. That's why I don't come on here saying that I'm a guru or an expert. When people ask for free analysis and stuff, I say, listen, this is just what I see. But I'm not an expert, bro. I can't. There's some things I just don't even know. You know what I mean? The other day, somebody asked me about some I don't know, some weird thing. I'm like, bro, I have no idea. All right, people trade all sorts of stuff. We talk about this all the time. I've watched the guy one time, and he was trading a bat, but he was making money. If you get to your chart and you see two chickens headbutting the life out of each other, and that's your strategy, trade them chickens, bro. Trade whatever works for you. As long as you're disciplined and exercise, you know, correct risk management, you're gonna be all right. So that's how long it took me to become profitable. Fauci. Bright Vlog said, hi, how are you? Do you think gold will reach 2650? Let's see. 2650 is up here somewhere. Oh boy, 2650 up here? Not anytime soon, if I'm being 1000% honest. Like, oops. We are quite a bit of ways from that, like even on the weekly. At some point, yes. At some point, you know, I mean, all things are possible type thing, but in the near future, we would need a really massive event. Because, I mean, what did FOMC do the other day? FOMC was what? Was that this? Was this yesterday? No, this is Friday. Let me go back. FOMC was this. You see what I'm saying? So the amount of pips it moved during that whole event was, this is 3,000 or like 30. Yeah, it's more like 3,000 pips. All right, cool. So let's say 3,000 pips, right? 3,000 pips. If we take that same approach to get to 2650 at this point, at least, we would need, oh, you know what? It's just a scale thing. You might be right. Maybe one more event might push us that way, because it seems to be the same amount of pips. That's weird. I guess because the way the chart is framed, it looks really far away. So yeah, maybe we might just do that. All right, we might just do that. What is your view? I believe that you say everything's on point, and reality of trading that I believe. Oh, thank you, Vanch. Yeah, I'm honest over here, guys. You saw, those of you who are new and never seen me trade, we took this trade live in front of everybody. I took this trade live in front of everybody. I executed my strategy. Nothing is fake over here. I'm not going to go say, you know, that whatever. But the last 9 trades I took, I'm 9 for 9. It's the best trading week and trading period I've ever had. Okay. But you guys understand this too if you're new. You get weeks like this. You know what happens a couple weeks later? You start just everything, nothing can hit. And I pray to God that is not my situation, but I'm just telling you, don't let it get to your head and start saying, nah, bro, I know what I'm doing. I think I'm going to take a trade right here. This should work. No, still follow your strategy. This morning, I was patient. I'm an index trader. I was looking for setups on US 30, SPX 500, and NOS. I saw nothing. I waited. I didn't see nothing. So I let it be. Don't force trades. Be disciplined. If you're patient, it pays in this industry. So I appreciate you, Vanch. I'm doing my best to just be authentic, and hopefully if you guys, especially those of you who are new, if you learn something, fine. I treat you guys, I show you my strategy for free. And there are some, like I've had this confirmed, people trade similar strategies like and are charging so much money. So much money. You see what I'm saying? I'm doing it for free. All right. So Fauci said, don't kill me. Fauci's laughing. Shushu's laughing. Chicken head pattern. Oh, that's what you guys are laughing at. Hey, all I'm saying is whatever works for you works, right? Fauci said Wednesday. What happened on Wednesday? Or is there another news event next week, Wednesday? I'll check it out. Mr. R said, I'm going to use pineapple pattern. That's what's up, bro. Jean Zulu put the pineapples there. That's what's up, bro. The pineapple pattern is the best pattern. All right, guys. So on that note, we've actually started our first trade. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a trade calendar and a trade like template where we can follow along. And we're going to put all our trades in there. And then we will start documenting. I'll show you guys how to use these things in real time. Like, okay, when you take a trade, how are you supposed to do it? And things like that. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Let me see if I can find for you guys this thing. Give me 1 sec. I'm going to have to turn off my screen for 2 seconds, guys. Don't be alarmed. Just bear with me one moment. All right, I want to show you guys the template that I had earlier. Let me see if it's still here. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to find the template to show you guys how I traded and all these things. So bear with me. Okay, for the sake of this, let me just I'll come back to it, okay? But I'll show you guys. That's a great idea. A trading journal. Yeah, I have one. I have a trading calendar. I have a trading journal. I have a trading everything. And these are the templates I'm bringing to you guys for free. I have an app that I'm working on. If you guys go to my Instagram stories, you guys will see. Well, I haven't uploaded to the highlights, but I will. But you guys will see. I'm working on an app and everything for you guys. So just bear with me. So look, your GPY, is what I'm saying, didn't work out. But there's also a reason why I didn't take it. I told you guys I needed to see a little bit more before I entered this trade. But guess what? This has happened to me multiple times where price has, taken me out and still gone my way. So just be patient. If you guys are practicing risk management, you can get back into a trade like this. I promise you. It just needs to show you what it needs to show you with, with convincing evidence. All right. So this trade, remember I told you guys that I wanted to get into this trade around here. All right. So if it was at my zone, I would get into it and I'd be aiming for a 1 to 2. In this case here, where price is starting to reverse, who on this chat can tell me why I wouldn't take a trade right now on this, even though it's coming back to my level? I want to know if you guys understand one of my rules. Can we get the journal? We'd love to have it. Yes, we can get the journal. You guys, let me show you something right now. 1 second. Let me see if I can find. I would just have to shut off the screen because I have a bunch of stuff, including private information on Discord, right? So that's why. Someone said no volume. Very good guess. Why wouldn't I take a trade right here, guys? Why wouldn't I take a trade? This is something that I learned after trading for 4 years. Okay? Why wouldn't I take a trade right here? Why would I not trade right here, right now? It's close to my entry. Time is up. Ryuzaki's the closest. I'll just say it. Absolutely. I don't trade past 11. It's 10:57. Yes, Ryuzaki. Correct. It's 11. You want to know why? At 11 o'clock, especially for indices, price starts to reverse. And Ryuzaki, vouch for me. Does it not happen almost every time on the chart when we're trading especially? Does it not happen all the time where as soon as 11 o'clock, so let's say, for example, price was shooting upwards, right? Like with strong momentum. As soon as 11 o'clock comes, you'll start to see low volume and then price just going the other way. Yeah, Ryuzaki said, yep. Right? And Sadagar said low volume at 11 a.m. Yes, that's also correct. Okay, but I found this out by back testing that literally at 11, I have, let me see if I can show you guys. You guys, give me 1 second, okay? Give me 1 second. I'm going to show you guys some of these templates. 1 sec. 1 second. Back testing. Is that what it was called? I think it's this. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to show you right now. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. All right. Let me show you guys. You guys see this? Look at all this. I have all these different templates. You guys, these are going to be available to you for free. Okay? Available to you for free. Where is it? Where's the one where all the years of data? There you go. All of this will be available to you guys for free. I have reasons as to why I get into a trade, what the win rate was, how many times, how much it moved per day, things like that. What was the win percentage? All of this is going to be available to you guys for free on my website, which is this right here. Okay? This website. It's currently live, but like I said, some of these things you shouldn't touch because they're not. The only thing you can book is a one-on-one call. This, if you're gonna pay for this, guys, that's you giving your money to the market, because this, don't touch this. This is a work in progress. Okay, don't mind the prices and the stuff, the features on here. There's certain things that are not gonna be on there. You see what I'm saying? So, just take that with a grain of salt. Where are we at? No, where are we at? Yeah, there we go. All right, so, gosh, I'm all over the place. Yeah. So we have, these are the type of templates I'm talking about that will be available on the site. You guys will be able to see all that type of stuff. Look, how much on Mondays, how many pips or handles it moves on average, right? On average, when you look at how much it moved within that range, you can see here 48, 46. And when you divide everything by the average, you get 40 pips. You get 40 pips of movement on that day. Tuesdays, you get 40 pips. Wednesday, you can see the average there, 50 pips, things like that. Like, I have every detail, how many opportunities in a month, you know what I mean? What the win rates and stuff are. 4 years worth of data, guys. 4 years. Okay, so all of this will be available. I have that. I have a trade calendar. I have a trade journal. I have a psychology book. I have a trade grade book. Well, let me see if I can find the trade. Look at this. Okay, look at this trade grade setup book. Okay, where you can see, right, on average what you get, stuff like that. It's still a work in progress, but I was using this, and whenever I would take my A+ setups and stuff like that, you know what I mean, I would rate my trades based on some grades. And I have an app that I'm going to be showing you guys. Let me see if I can find the app real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I can only, let me take a screenshot to show you guys. Okay, that's all I can do. Give me 1 sec. Guys, just bear with me, okay? If you can't see anything, just accept this screen. Just bear with me. I'm going to show you guys right now what I'm talking about. Okay, cool. Let me. Okay. All right. This is the app I'm working on for you guys. Okay, this is the app I'm working on for you guys. All right, there's a lot of stuff coming up. You guys will be able to see what your percentage you're winning everything is based on, if you know what you're doing for prop firms, what your personal capital is like, crypto, if you guys buy the bot that we're developing, all these things, okay, that we're working on to bring you guys all these things. Okay, I want to make your life easier. I have not taken a dollar from anybody. I'm not taking a dime for anybody. I'm not even telling you guys, hey guys, fund this project. This is all coming out of my pocket. Everything I'm paying for, the developers, all of that is me. I'm working on these things by myself. Okay, I'm doing this to bring you guys the best that I can for you guys to, you know what I mean? Like, I just want the things that I wish I had when I was trading. That's what I'm trying to do for you guys. All right. So, you know, support your boy. I'll ask for on these streams and stuff is likes. That's it. I don't ask you. There's no donation link, nothing. Zero. I just ask that you guys, when you are here, learn as much as you can. Ask questions if you want to ask questions. Engage. And just support me, and these things will come to fruition. Okay? If you go to my Discord, same thing. Discord is free. I'm going to be bringing you guys on this website here. There's going to be a free course. There's going to be a free course teaching you everything. Every single thing. Thank you, Marcus. Appreciate you. Shoshu said amazing stuff, bro. Thank you. Bright Vlog said, wow, that's amazing. We are waiting. For sure. Thank you so much. Like the stream, Raizaki said. Thank you, Raizaki. You see what I'm saying? All of this is going to be available for free. All right, guys. So just, you know, keep in mind that we are working hard towards making things, you know, available for everybody and stuff like that. And it's to give you guys the best, all the best tools. Because you guys, let me tell you right now, like, as much money as I make, I can be a bit cheap. There's certain things I won't pay for. I've never paid for a course, never paid for signals, never paid for certain things. And I have reasons for it. But I'll tell you right now, there are some programs and stuff out there that will like connect to your trades and stuff. And don't get me wrong, they're probably well priced because they need to make a profit. I'm in business, so I understand. They need to make a profit. They need to pay for all the operational softwares, the developers, the coders. I get it. But I'm a type of person, even TradingView. You know how long it took me to buy TradingView's subscription? For the longest time when I was trading, everything was free, brother. You see what I'm saying? Everything was free. You get on my TradingView, all the ads pop up every 5 seconds. Hey, would you like to subscribe? I'm like, nope. Right? Because there are times too where you don't have it like that. You see what I'm saying? I started subscribing to TradingView when I realized that I could not backtest on smaller time frames. The only thing I could backtest on was the daily. And the daily doesn't move the same way the other intraday time frames move, right? So that's when I started subscribing. You see what I'm saying? So I'm trying to find cheaper alternatives for those. You guys, I talked to a lot of you guys in my DMs on Instagram, in the Discord. A lot of you guys are in the deepest parts of Africa, Asia, you know what I mean? And even some of you who are in first world countries, let's say, right? Not to say some of these countries are not first world, but you get what I'm saying. Even some of you who are in the US, Canada, and stuff for that, your situation isn't easy. So I'm trying to bring alternatives there that are affordable so that you guys can also see progress in your life. And I'll tell you guys right now, when it comes to these type of things, I try to maximize the dollar. Meaning I'm not going to just say, let me hire the most expensive person just to get it done. No, I still try to find the best person for the best price. Okay, so I'm going to try and make everything super affordable. You see what I'm saying? This is my ambition right now. Anyways, I'm yapping about a lot of stuff, but I just hope you guys understand what we got going on over here, right? So make sure to follow along. Follow my Instagram. My Instagram is, I'll type it up right now for those of you who are new. Okay, that's my Instagram. That's my Instagram right there. I'll just type that there. That's okay. That's my Instagram. You guys will see my stories when I'm going on vacation, when I'm building these things, when I'm working. You guys will see I update my stories quite a bit. I haven't put up anything in the last couple of days because the last couple of days I've been up till 4 a.m. in the morning working. 2 a.m. in the morning, 4 a.m. So it's been a little bit challenging for me, but you guys will see how active I am on Instagram. All right. So yeah, man, I'm doing my best to help, especially a lot of you guys who are new, just kind of make things easier for you. I'm not, again, a guru or an expert, right? So everything I do take with a grain of salt, but I'm doing my best for you guys. All right, so let's take a look at some of these. Paris, I've been yapping for a hot minute, bro. I've been yapping for a hot minute. Good morning, everyone. For everybody who's just joining, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
By the way, the pineapple song has become our inside joke. You see it on my comments. You see it on my Instagram. You even see some of it on the website. Okay, when you go to the website, you see so here's what I'm planning to do with this as well, guys. So as anybody who books a one-on-one call will get a badge on Discord, and when YouTube, because I'm not monetized on YouTube yet, but I'll be able to eventually put like badges and stuff like that in memberships. You'll get, I'm trying to make it the pineapple. See what I'm saying? Because it's our inside joke. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. But good morning to all you guys, all my lovely people. Shout out to y'all. Let's see if we can find, I mean, it's 11, but on forex, we might still be able to find the trade that we took live this morning. Did more than hit our 1 to 4, so that's proper. Next Monday, we're going to come with a level head. We're going to try and make more money. We just need to equalize. Right now, we're $100 away from getting back to the threshold. My wife lost like 400 the other day. We're trying to make back the money by using risk management. If you guys noticed, I just risked 0.5%. I could have risked 1%, and this would have made me at least 500. And if it went to 1 to 4, it would have made me $1,000. But risk management and discipline, because everything is probability, which means as much as there's a high chance it's going to go in our direction, there's still a small chance it may not. So you don't want to bet the farm on every trade. You want to be disciplined. So you guys follow along. We're starting our 30-day forex journey. It starts today, Friday, September 20th, which means, you know what I mean? Like, let's call it October 20th. The challenge would have concluded, and we're hoping to have passed the challenge by then. All right. But we won't be aggressive. We will be as disciplined as we can, because the reason why I'm doing this, guys, is not to say, oh, look at me, I'm a great trader. It's to say, guys, if you are disciplined, at the very least, you'll be able to stay in the game. Like, you shouldn't even blow your account. You should never blow your account. Once you pass, this is a 25K challenge. The second I'm 24.99, I am risking 0.5% until I'm up. Don't do 1%. You're just gonna kill yourself in the drawdown. Do 0.5%. You get up, maybe 1%. You can start risking 1%. That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing. Sodagar put the pineapples. That's what's up. That's what's up. We also have. By the way, I'm gonna put up a poll right now. Hey, what's good, Akachari? What's good? Fauci said facts. I'm gonna put up a poll right now. If you're in here, let me know. Are you a swing trader or a scalper? In fact, let me put all the trading things in here. Swing trader, and then we'll put day trader. And then maybe last one will be like an investor, right? Because that's like buy and hold for the long term. What is your trading style? All right, guys, answer this poll because we have some emojis. I'm going to also do badges for that. Everybody knows. Yeah, Kata already knows the snail for the swing traders, baby. And for the scalpers, we got the bow and arrow, baby. It's going to be fire, man. It's going to be super fire. I'm also, guys, working on this as well. Let me see if I can show you guys this as well. Give me 1 second, guys. I just got to drop this real quick. Don't go nowhere. Don't be alarmed. Nothing's happening to the stream. It's just me hiding sensitive information in case something goes wrong. All right. Just bear with me. Bear with me here. All right, guys. So here's what else I'm going to be working on. It's right here. All right. So what will happen is like, we'll have this set up. That way we can do super chats. We can game. We can do a lot of stuff that's more interactive. So say, for example, somebody subscribes, we'll get this. You see what I'm saying? That's fire. You see what I'm saying? That is absolutely fire. When somebody subscribes or someone does a super chat or something like that, you know what I mean? We would get these type of notifications. So like I said, man, it's a lot of stuff that we've got going on. So fire. Fire, fire, fire. Let me switch the camera back real quick. Fire, fire, fire. K-Dot said AUD USD missed my entry and is hit TP. Bro, it happens, K-Dot. Just the other day, you guys remember when I missed that 1-4 trade on SPX 500? I don't usually set my TP to hit all the way to 1-4. I was so confident about that trade, I was not going to pull nothing. I'm like, when this trade hits, it's going to go straight here, and it did. And I did not get in. I turned around for 2 seconds to check the screen, came back, it was already gone. I wanted to just throw all my monitors somewhere. You know what I mean? All right, people are, oh, wow, it's 50-50. We have, well, not 50-50. Most people are scalpers in here. There's 19 people on this live, guys. Let's get some voting going. What are you guys? Oh, scalpers. Okay, we see we got a lot of scalpers in the building too. Looks like you guys still support GFT on your prop match. Can you guys confront them about its spreads? Bob, I think you. So here's the. I think you're talking about prop for match. Are you talking about prop for match? If you are, just let me know in the chat if you're talking about prop for match. If that's what you're asking, if you want prop for match to confront goat funded trader about their conditions. All right, K-Dot, so what's up, bro? What's up? I think he's probably speaking to someone else in the chat. But if you're speaking to me, what's good, K-Dot? Prop for match, yeah. So here's the thing: I'm not the owner of prop for match. I just do content for them, right? I do work with the company. I am with the company, but those decisions are not me. We have a whole compliance team and all these different other sections and teams that have to go through different processes before things like that can happen. So the best thing I could tell you is to just bring it up by. We have a place where you can complain and bring up your what's the word? I guess your bad experience with the prop firm. All right. Yolomi said, happy Friday, Foreign Pines. Oh my gosh, that's a new one. Foreign Pines. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Buffett, because for them to be top 10 on the firm, that's sad, low-key. Yeah, I won't lie to you. My experience with them has been horrible. Absolutely horrible. So I get exactly what you're saying. My experience with them has been absolutely horrendous. So I don't blame what you're saying at all. All right, but good morning. Good morning to you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Any birthdays? My birthday's in a couple weeks, guys. My birthday's in a couple weeks. My wife usually surprises me. She just my wife, bro, low key, she's like some secret agent. You know what she does when it's my birthday? Like, I will have no idea. I mean, like, zero clue, right? I'll have no idea that something is happening on my birthday. What will happen is that My wife will literally go into my phone and to my accounts because my wife and I, all our accounts are joint. Every single one. All our accounts are joint. We share everything in common. We've been together 10 years. This November will be 10 years, right? And so she will go into my phone. She will take, like, she'll disconnect some of my emails, account stuff, so I don't see what she's doing. So what will happen is that, because bro, I don't care about my birthdays at all. It's another day to me. I'm just grateful to be alive type of thing. So out of nowhere, she'll be like, hey babe, you want to go down to the store? I'll get there and there's like 40 people, 100 people like, hey, happy birthday. I'm like, what the heck? She always organizes these secret like surprise parties and surprise events. She's amazing, man. So I'm not sure what she's gonna do this year. We are very busy this year though, so I don't know if she can pull anything off. But my birthday's in a couple weeks, so I have some ideas as to what I want to do, but I don't want to interfere with my wife's plans. So we'll see how it goes. Emmanuel Karatimi, hello everyone. Happy birthday in advance. Hey brother, listen. Thank you. I appreciate that. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm going to be 62 in a couple weeks. I've already ordered my walker and my cane, bro. Y'all going to see me creeping with my cane, yo. They see me rolling. They hit, yo, it's going to be fire, bro. 62. I'm a couple years away from pension, baby. I'm going to be pensioned soon. I'm going to be able to spend that government money. I'm just kidding. But yeah, thank you for the happy birthday wishes. For those of you who just joined us, we just started today our forex 30-day challenge. We're going to be trading forex on a live challenge account. For 30 days. We're going to see if we can pass the account. Today we took a trade. We won, as you can see here. So we just started. Make sure to subscribe, like, join the Discord if you're new. Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. Okay? It's going to be fire. You guys, you see this? This is a golden setup for me. Had this been any other pair, I'd be so tempted to hop in for a reverse trade. But it's gold. I already pushed and tested gold's patience right here. I'm going to leave him alone for today. Gold, out of all the pairs, took the most money from me. Yo, gold one night, bro. I remember, I think I have the video. I'm going to find the video for you guys. I'm going to show you. I have a video of me, like, going ham on trades in gold and losing it all. I was hedging. Buy, sell, buy, sell. And eventually I got into some buys. Gold was dropping, so I started selling, right? But I was holding the buy positions because I'm like, I don't know if it's going to reverse. Noob stuff, right? Long story short, I was up a good amount of money. I decided, let me close those older trades for stupid me, man. Let me close some older trades first so I can make up room or whatever. As soon as I closed those older trades, it took all my live profit, everything, wiped me out, blew the account. It was like 4 in the morning when this happened. I just remember going to just lay on the bed and stare at the ceiling. This was me the whole night. My wife woke up. She's like, baby, all right? I'm like, yeah, I'm all right. My soul was taken, bro. My soul was taken. All right. Oh, I forgot the poll is still going on. So let's close that. So majority of you guys who voted, we got 16 votes in there. That's pretty good. Majority of you guys are scalpers. So scalper was, you guys will see the poll when I end it. All right. Majority was scalper. Fauci says scalper / day trader. Got you. I'm a scalper only, bro. Scalper, snipers. I'm saying, bro, we get in at these type of levels and you see what I'm saying? Like, really good entries. This is what we do, bro. Bow and arrow. I'm gonna make a badge for that and an emoji for that too. Mr. R is laughing, bro. Don't laugh, man. It was a sad day for me, bro. It was a sad day. Gold took the most money from me. Absolutely ruined me that day, bro. But shout out to my wife who's been very supportive of my trading journey. You guys, I started off with stocks. So let me tell you guys what happened. I'm gonna show you on TradingView. I'm gonna show you exactly what happened on TradingView with stocks. Let me see if I can get it. Would it show me Kodak? Yeah, all right, perfect. Let me show you guys. I still remember the day. Oh God, they don't trade it no more, so that sucks. Let me show you the day. This was back in, yeah, I don't care why it looks different. I don't care. This was back in 2020. In fact, I gotta find out. Give me 1 second. You guys, give me 1 second here. I gotta type up, when did Kodak get boost from government? Okay, yeah, August 20th. I think that was the day, guys. So, yo, take this in, bro. Take this in, bro. Oh, my gosh. All right, so my wife and I, 2020, right? It's the pandemic. Jobs are crazy everywhere. You know what I mean? Nobody's got money. Economy's left and right. So guess what we all started to do? I'm going to learn to trade, right? So I get into stocks. I open an account, put some money in there, right? This is what happened August 20th. Let me see if I can go all the way back to Let me go back here like this. It'll be easier. 2020 August. Oh, there it is. Look, there's the day. There is the day. This is, man, glory be to God, bro. This is the day, bro. Right here, family. Right here. All right. So I can tell you guys exactly what happened that day. Let me go back a little bit more. It's going to be hard to show you guys, but just bear with me. All right. So up until this point, Kodak is what? Around $2. I just need you to understand this. Kodak is around $2. I was right here. Okay. I was here when the government, so the government had given Kodak $760 million to help them produce and make equipment to help combat COVID. I had this account. Okay. Price was at $2. They started flying up. Bro, we're at 2. Then it jumped up 8. I'm still not in, I'm watching. You guys, fear is the worst thing. That's what the Bible says, fear not. Fear is the worst thing in the world. I'm watching. I'm still afraid. You know when I bought? I bought Kodak at $60 right here. This is when I finally had the guts to get into the Kodak trade. And what do you guys think happened right after? Price started going right back to where it came from. Pump and dump. And I bought the pump. All right. I think I closed at like 11 or $7, something crazy like that. I eventually took my money a couple days after at around like $7. I remember saying to myself, man, I thought I'd be a great trader, bro. Maybe this is not for me. But it was then that I realized fear is a heck of a thing. You shouldn't be afraid. Whew, so Kodak, I started off in stocks, you know what I mean? Taught me real quick. So after stocks, after I lost so much, not so much. Well, after I lost a bit of money on stocks, I'm like, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't trade stocks. Then my wife came to me. How I got into forex, my wife saw somebody on Instagram with MetaTrader 4 open and a bunch of blues. And she's like, babe, what about this? I'm like, yo, what is that? Did my research, found out with forex, you can get in with way less money. And I was hooked. I'm like, bro, this finna be lit, bro. I could start off with $10. And you know what I did? I opened a demo account, right? When I opened the demo account, I threw in like, I had like 100K in there. And what I would do is that on Euro USD, when I just felt like buying, I'd buy. And then price would go up like 3 cents, 5 cents, and I would close. And then it'd go up $1 and I would close. And then I would sell sometimes. And I'm like, bro, it's easy making money with forex. I'm like, I could do this. I'm like, babe, yeah, I'm ready, bro. Let's throw some cash in there. 4 years later, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Forex was not easy at all. Maybe I should have stuck to stocks. Forex was not easy at all. You see what I'm saying? So it's been a journey, bro. By the way, guys, this is what I would have entered under normal circumstances, just to give you guys an idea. Those of you who don't know how I trade, this would have been perfect for me to hop into. Okay, to hop into. This is what I would have probably got into for a quick 1 to 2. But the reason why I'm not touching is because gold, even though we were at the level that, okay, let me show you back on TradingView. Okay, so on TradingView for gold, let me go back to gold real quick. Let me exit this as well. Okay, let me go back to gold super quickly for you guys. Yeah, right here. So gold, even though we put up here that this is the gap I was worried about, so that's why we put our TP. You know what I mean? Gold is just moving weird. I'm just gonna leave it alone. But essentially, if I were to get into a trade, considering what we're doing right now, gold is at like all-time highs. It's starting to fall, but hasn't really given us bearish structure, so I'd be patient. But if I was in a bearish trend, then this is where I would have entered. I would have entered right here. We'll just call it right here. It's whatever. And I would have been aiming for a 1 to 2. All right, that's where I would have been. That's what my strategy would have been like. All right, but anyways, coming back to trading. Trading has been a heck of a journey. Special Punch said, good trauma. Same happened to me on a pound Swiss long. Bro, I mean, it helps, man. It really helps you to understand that these markets are no joke. So you have to be disciplined in order to survive in the markets. Anybody can get lucky. Doing it over and over again, that takes skill and discipline. Emmanuel said, what prop firm are you using? This one right here is the one we're using right now is Smart Prop Trader. That's the one we're using. I've had this account for a hot minute. I just don't trade it. I literally like throw random positions in there just to see if I'm testing. So I'll give you an example. If I was starting to learn how to trade gold and I was starting to feel like maybe I understand gold, I would try and test it on that account. That's literally all I was doing. That I've had that account for a hot minute, but it's smart prop trader. Their leverage, I'll say this, their leverage sucks. Mr. R said, it also happened to me, bro. I got very depressed the whole month. Yeah, bro, losing money is a very horrible feeling. A very horrible feeling. And the worst is when your wife comes up to you, babe, how's it going? You're like, right? You're fighting the tears. You're like, we're doing great. And then what do you say after that? Soon, we're going to be in a great position. You're losing money. You're losing money so much, bro. Oh my God. Thank God those days are way over. Specialist Punch said, had to move my chair and stare at the wall just to reevaluate my life. Bro, it's a serious thing, bro. I remember my first, what's it called? My first challenge I ever failed, FTMO. When that final nail in the coffin went through, I've never felt so violent in my life. I want to break everything in my room. I want to go crazy. But at the same time, I felt so disappointed in myself, bro. There's never been a time in my life where I put my mind to something and failed. That was the first time. Bro, I don't know whether to cry, to yell, or to just sit there in silence, bro. That was a tough one for me. Super tough one for me. Marcus said I entered a gold sell. All right, let's enter with Marcus, guys. Let's enter with Marcus. Let's see. Marcus said he entered a gold sell. You guys, listen, do not, the gold strategy, the gold trade I actually took was this for a reason. This is a gamble. Do not. Some of you guys send me screenshots after you've taken the same trade. And if it wins, I'm happy. So far, nobody has sent me once losing. But don't take this. This is a gamble, guys, okay? I'm telling you, this is where I would have got in. All right? This is where I would have entered the trade. You do not get into this trade because only God knows if it's going to end up going our way. If we lose, we're going to lose 3K or 4K, which is nothing, guys. On my paper trading account, bro, mans are rich, family. Watch this. Look at this. You see how much I have in here? 3.5. I started this account with 100K, and I can show you. I can prove it to you. Look, where is it at? Keep going. You can see how long I've had this account, guys. So when I tell you I've been trading for years, it's no joke. Okay, lots of backtesting and all that good stuff. Look, there you go. Account balance 100K. First trade I ever took 80K. Bro, buy my course. All right, so we have another trade in here. How we actually got to millions. There's another trade for 30K. But you can see right under that, I lost 35K. 110K here, lost 42, 136. Okay, this is all me just trying stuff, okay? Another look, I won 135K trade right there. Romance was going crazy. Probably didn't even know what I was doing. Couple wins here. Couple wins there. None of this is consistent trading, all right, guys? It's just me trying stuff, okay? You can see, look, 24 here. 4K here, another 26K here, and then 147. So I think I actually made up for all those losses. That's pretty cool. But as you can see, the balance grows, right? You see what I'm saying? I'm growing this account, bro. I'm just, bro, buy my course, bro. Buy my course. By the way, if you guys are new, my course is free. It's an inside joke, all right? Let me see. I'm going to show you guys the trade that made me rich. I'm going to show you guys in a second, bro. Where is this trade? Because we're still not in the millions yet. I gotta show you that trade that changed our lives. This is when I became a legend, bro. They should feature me on the next Netflix special. Let me see here. Let's see. Right here, guys. This is it. 2.6 million in a trade. Who else? Buy my course, bro. Buy my course. I am the guru of your guru, the mentor of your mentor. Listen. The market ain't got nothing on me. I am the market. I am liquidity, bro. I am the market, bro. Buy my course. I'm the greatest of all time. All right, I'm done acting a fool. But that's why we have so much money in here. So if we lose money, it's all nothing. If we lose money, it's all nothing. I coded the algorithm. By the way, this is not a shot at ICC. I'm just talking trash. You're short. Yes, I am short. But don't actually take this, guys. There's a good chance this might not work. Don't actually take this trade. First trade I ever took was NZD USD back in 2021. I had deposited 500. Did not know anything about SL or news. It was NFP, and I lost the entire account in less than 10 seconds. My old solo was left. Hey, yo, a moment of silence for all of us who have been destroyed by NFP, by blowing our accounts. This is for you. of silence, bro. It's been rough. The ghost in the machine. You are the market maker. Exactly. I am the one who knocks. All right. So as you can see, I'm rich up in this bad boy, bro. What should we buy after this? What should we do for my birthday? Oh my gosh. That is super funny. That is super funny. Oh man. So yeah, I mean the trade is working, so that's cool. Let me do 2 positions because we technically entered right here. So this would end up being almost a 1 to 3. So that's cool. All right, guys. Like I said, this is where I would have entered, but don't let gold fool you. It could go down at the level we marked. It may not. Only God knows. All right. Buy my pints. buy a Bugatti. Got you. Let's go. Yo, let's go mark it up right now. Bugatti. Let me wait. Hold on. Buy a Bugatti. All right. Let me see how I can. Let's go. Let's see if we can get this done. Reject all, bro. Don't say none of my cookies. Bye. All right. The tourbillon, bro. How much is that? Is the tourbillon right now? Let's see. Wait, what is going on here? Okay, tourbillon. Let's see. Bro, this is light work, bro. This is light work. Not applicable. Not available. Okay. Well, how do I buy this thing, bro? They obviously, cars like this, they don't offer to the public. They don't offer to the public at all. Let me go to the store. They'll probably only let me buy like a Bugatti bag, bro. They'll be like, we don't accept your kind here. Well, that's an African accent, so maybe not. Let's see. See, this is a toy. I don't want no toy, bro. Give me the car, fam. There you go. Stuff like this, bro. It's like an invite only type situation. Okay, let me buy the car. Let me buy the toy. We're gonna buy a Bugatti, guys. All right, bro. I'm done acting a fool. This is a trading channel. Yo. Oh my god. I think GoTrader adds positions. Does it really, bro? I haven't traded with them, but I'm glad I didn't. But for those of you guys who I bought the giveaway account from there, I'm very sorry, man. I did not know it was that bad. They were cheaper, but you know what they say, you get what you pay for. You see what I'm saying? So took another short for EURUSD, and it seems my entry moved. You know what? I'm not going to mention the prop firm right now, but you know what another prop firm did to me the other day? I have a trade copier. It copied everyone's trade not everyone's trade. It copied my trade to all my other accounts properly, right? One of those accounts was with this specific prop firm. I got a message saying stop loss canceled, and every other stop loss was still there. They did it on purpose. I went back and forth with them. They finally reinstated my account, but I haven't traded with them since. Shiesty company, bro. Shiesty company. So Euro USD. Let's take a look at that since this didn't plan out. Euro USD. Oh, it came and tapped our area and it just like flooded. So sucks, but it didn't give us what we were looking for per se. So I mean, did it? Kind of. I'm not a fan of these type of trades, so I won't lie to you. Anyhow. Okay. If you guys are seeing this, we didn't take this trade. Okay. We did not take this trade. The only trade we took today was this. And right now we have a paper trade in paper. This is a live trade we took for real. Made real money. Well, on a challenge. But this right here is a paper trade. But when hey, listen, when I make these 10 bands, I'm going to give it away to one of y'all. All right. Yeah, I don't know. Props now are getting out of hand. Wait, how bad would be a 10 spread had using a lot 0.01? I'm not sure, to be quite honest. I don't. The conditions vary, but I'll tell you this right now, Bob. I took a trade the other day on Alpha Capital. I haven't traded on them since. It was nasty work. It stopped me out of my initial position. I had to re-enter and risk a little bit more just to make some of it back. And I just kind of like closed it. I didn't like it. I've never seen. I don't know what's going on with them. Up until recently, their trading conditions have been excellent. It's why I bought the challenge. But a lot of these prop firms nowadays, man, they're just moving so slimy. So slimy. Adib, what's good, brother? What's good? I just got here. Did I miss something? You missed a whole lot. We took a live trade, Adib, on this account here live in front of everybody on this challenge account. If you were here the other day, which I think you were, you remember my wife took a trade and lost like $400. So I took a 0.5% position. We made half of it back. We're almost back at break even on the account. So on Monday, we plan, remember I'm starting the 30-day Forex challenge. So from Monday, we're going to start this again. We currently have this fake position. This is not real. We didn't take this trade, but we have this fake position on gold towards the downside. That's what we got going on. But everything else that happened, I can't explain to you, man. It's just too much. But stay tuned and hopefully maybe some people in the chat will catch you up. Okay, but glad to see, man. Adib is one of those guys. He's here like every day. Don't think he's missed a stream yet. So shout out to you, Adib. Shout out to you, Adib. Whew. All right, guys. What else are you guys trading, by the way? Am I the only one who's trading today? This week has been weird. I've only taken 2 trades. The trade I took in front of you guys today was the second trade. All right. We got some weird stuff going on. Yeah, look at gold doing what gold does best. That's why I said don't take this trade, guys. Look at that. Look at the momentum it's moving forward with. Look at the momentum. K-Dot said only trade GJ, EU, and AU. Got you. Let's take a look at some of those. I'll go to a different one. US 30. We'll leave that alone for now. Took 3 only. Never had anything else. Got you. Trading ideas. I took a trade. Got you. Cannot wait for the live trade with you from Monday. I'm sure it'll be fire. Hey, we'll do our best, man. You guys know me. I trade consistently every day. The same way all the time. All right, I enter this the same way I enter everything else. All right, market structure, trend, direction, point of interest, went in 1 to 4, done. That's it. Or as my Africans would say, that's it. That's it. That's it. So yeah, that's it, man. Monday, if I don't see anything on Monday, guess what I'm not gonna do? I'm not gonna trade. All right, but I'll do my absolute best because this is not for us to YOLO. This is for us to consistently, like, you know what I mean? Trade this properly. We're gonna pass the challenge. We're gonna pass the account. Get a payout. All right, and I'm doing this live so that those of you who are new can see what it's like to execute in real time. Please don't take this as signals, guys. I beg you, don't take none of those trades as signals. You could lose your money on those trades. Look what's happening with gold, right? Again, I didn't take this trade for a reason. I said to you guys, under normal circumstances, this is the trade I would have gotten, but because of where we are in the market, because we don't have anything that's telling me the market is bearish, I did not enter a sell. Don't take every trade you see. But listen, I'm so rich on here, bro. Look, let me show my paper trading account, bro. Gosh, bro. I am the one who knocks, bro. 3.5 million, that bad boy. I started with 100K. Who else? All right, enough jokes. Fauci said gold and Nas took both, got W. Fire. Congratulations to you. We're going to play the congratulations song for everybody. Give Fauci, show him some love. Fire emojis in the chat for Fauci hitting TP on both his trades today. We played the congratulations songs for myself and for somebody else who had also hit TP this morning. So let us show some. I think it was Raizaki. So congratulations, Fauci. Congratulations to you.
Congratulations.
Fire emojis in the chat, guys. Support each other. That's what we do over here. We show love to each other. We support each other because it always comes back to us.
Like play, you have come this far. Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations. Yeah, I celebrate you.
Congratulations. Clap it up for Fauci. Congratulations, brother, once again.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
Congratulations. We are extremely happy for you, brother.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
All right. Thank you, everybody, for giving the fire emojis in the chat for Fauci. Congratulations, Fauci. Again, once again, we're really happy for you. Noah said, do you have a trading playbook or journal? I do. I showed it earlier, guys. I showed the templates and the journal and all that stuff. I have a trade grade book. Look, it's right here. I think I still have it. Where is it at? Yeah, I have a trade grade book and all that stuff. I have a psychology trade grade book. I have a trade journal. I have a trade calendar. All of these templates are going to be free for you guys on the website, okay? I have a website that I just made Ignore this part. This part is not. It's still work in progress. But the only thing you can do right now is book a one-on-one call. But there will be a free course here, which I will do live streams only in the Discord for certain members. We got a lot of stuff going on. Okay, there'll be free everything. Oh, I think we just got stopped out of gold. All right. But I have to answer your question. I have all those things you're asking for. Yes, I do. Okay. And gold, ladies and gentlemen, this is why I told you guys, don't touch it. The real trade we took this morning that we made money on was this one. This, I told you, under normal circumstances, I would get in. But because we are still bullish, I'm not going to trade. You guys, this is why I said understand market structure. Because what I was doing before is I would do this because it's my setup. And then when it loses, I would say, how come it didn't work? Well, because I wasn't looking at higher time frames before to understand we are still in a bullish trend. There is no reason to look at sells right now because market, even though it shifted a little bit, hasn't continued in that direction. You see what I'm saying? So you need to go with the market's direction, understand market structure. That's what we did down here. And we took a nice 1 to 4. All right. Don't want to sound like a broken record, but these things change your result in trading. Alrighty. The best vid was putting the the shouting emoji or something like that. Yes, I do. Fauci say yes, sir. That's good. Noah still looking fire. Yeah, Noah, join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to. I showed you guys earlier. I'm actually working on an app. I'll show you just now. I'm working on an app as well. I will show you guys a screenshot of what the app looks like right now. Give me a second. Okay, this is what we got going on. All right, that's what the app looks like right now. All right, so that's what I'm working on. You guys will be able to connect or at least track certain metrics and all that stuff. There should be a trading journal, calendar, everything in there so you guys can really, you know what I mean? Like document your process and look at certain things and see if you can be a better trader. All right, I'm working on all of this, guys. All of this for you guys, all right? So Noah, thank you, brother. Join the Discord and stay tuned every day. And I go live every day, usually around 9:30 to about 11:30, sometimes to 12. So follow along, brother. Shoshu said closed 5.5x 50% half 90% 5.5. Shoshu, are you saying that basically you closed some, like you took partials basically? Is that what you're saying? Closed 5.5 50% and 90%. Shoshu, help me out here. How much for the app? The app is not out yet. It's still a work in progress. I'm a one-man army, so it's just me doing all of these things. But when the app comes out, I'll let you guys know what all the specifics are. All right? And you guys, those of you who know me, I'm not charging nobody a single thing. Everything I do is free. I've not asked anybody for $8. I've not said, hey, support this, GoFundMe, none of that. This is all coming out of my pocket. All the stuff to develop this, everything for the hosting of the site, all that stuff is me. Is 100% me. Shout out to Caramel is Life. He's not here today because he's out saving lives for real. He's a nurse by day, trader by night. Excellent human being. He's helping me for free moderate the Discord. He's a very good mod and an even better person. And I can call him at this point a friend. So shout out to Caramel is Life or Caramel's Life. I call him Carmelo, but he's a solid dude. He's the only person helping me with the Discord. Other than that, everything else is all me by me all day, every day. All right. So when you guys don't see as much videos and stuff as possible, certain editors are starting to try and work with me and help me out and stuff like that. But it's kind of looking a little shaky. I won't lie to you. Okay. For those of you, if you're new and you're on my live right now and you are, you know what I mean? Like you want to hit me up to edit. If you're using CapCut, block me. Don't even approach me if you're using CapCut. I beg you, okay? I'm getting a lot of people saying, they're messaging me with the audacity to say, oh, I could do a better job than you, or hey, bro, just watch your video. It wasn't that great, but I can do a better job. Then they send me some Looney Tunes, Mickey Mouse type edits. Please, for the love of all that is holy, if you're using CapCut, back in the day, the girls would say, loose my number. Please block me. Don't leave me alone. Thank you. Shosho said yes, and you're out now. Proper Shosho. Kata said block me, bro. I'm so dead serious. I get hit up every day. Everybody wants to help me edit, and I appreciate it because I really do need an editor. And at a certain price, I'm willing to play game. But dog, Premiere Pro at least. If you ain't using Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, one of those two, please. Fauci said block me is crazy, bro. Bro, you guys don't understand. Like, if you're gonna message me, be humble about it, right? Don't come and tell me what you saw looked like trash, or I didn't do a good job, or you could do a way better job, or it was decent but it needs improvement. All right, you know what? It's not even offensive, but then don't turn around and send me, you know what I mean? Some Mickey Mouse type creations, dog. If I show you guys some of the stuff I get sent, bro, you'll be like, nah, fam. Some Roadrunner and Coyote type stuff, bro. You know what I mean? So if that's you, I appreciate the willingness to help, but I gotta keep it a buck with you, bro. If it's CapCut, just don't do it. I'll tell you like this guy said. Where is he at? I'll tell you like this guy said.
You know what? In life, don't cover the charge by. Don't charge the cover, charge the book. Man, don't book the cover. Book. Don't whatever. Don't do it. Just don't.
Just don't do it. No, it's a goofy CapCut 140p edit. Right? Don't message me what you edited on your calculator. I'm not gonna watch that. You see what I'm saying? Especially if you want me to pay you. And these people, these people are charging me like, how much do you charge? $60 a minute. A minute, brother, $60 a minute for CapCut. I have CapCut right here. Where is it? Did I take it off? It's right here. I don't use it. Premiere, Adobe. I don't even use Adobe Effects because that's hard for me to learn. I won't lie. Adobe Effects is one of those things where like I gotta spend the time to learn it. But bro, Adobe Premiere. I used to use Final Cut Pro. Do I still have it? I think I still have it. All right. I think I'm paying like $100 a month for. I have all the stuff from Adobe. All right. Don't do it. All right. Don't send me some Elmo's World edit. He said editing on a calculator. Don't give me. I used to use DaVinci and AE. Oh yeah, DaVinci's proper too. DaVinci is color grading on DaVinci is the coldest. Color grading on DaVinci is so amazing. If you're deep into like color correction, color grading, DaVinci is absolutely solid for sure. Adib said, "Can you check USD JPY?" I absolutely can, brother. USD JPY. Let's check it out right now. USD JPY. All right, let's take a look. So this is actually in an interesting spot. What I'm going to be looking for at this point, though, maybe actually in the 1 hour. Give me 1 second. Because we've analyzed this a couple times already. Oh, would you look at that? Like clockwork. So it's kind of violating the resistance, but right at this gap, holding the line. So that's really good. So this gives me some confidence that maybe, just maybe, I may be able to get into a sell. Well, look, we broke these intermediate lows, closed below. Gosh. So we might be able, okay? I wouldn't personally trade this right now on my own account because, look, we missed the train. This was the train right here. When we got back here, this is where we were supposed to get in. So we'll see. We'll see, okay? But you still might be able to find, some people trade on the 5 minute. Maybe you can get into, again, this is not a signal. Maybe, just maybe you can, you see what I'm saying? Set a wait for price to return. What is going on? Wait for price to return to this level. Maybe stops above here, there, whatever you want to do. Aim a 1 to 2. I usually put my stops right above the recent swing high, low, whatever the case is. So 1 to 2 would be just about there. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Adisa, I took a sell trade and 143. Okay, I'm gonna plot it right now. Do you swing trade? Probably not, right? No, I scalp, bro. I scalp. The trade that I showed you guys earlier that we took live in front of everybody this morning is on the 1 minute chart. I scalp. I don't do swing trading. I used to. Don't get me wrong, trading is more accurate when you're swinging, but at the same time, it takes forever. Bro, one day I waited 3 days for me to hit stop loss. You know what I mean? Like, no. The trade went on. I think it was on like EuroCAD or something. It just kept going up and down. And bro, am I getting live notifications? Guys, 1 second. 1 second. George Mukia subscribed. Is that true? Did he actually subscribe? Oh. Is it actually working already? Ooh. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting. All right, guys, we will let me move this. Oops. Guys, I'm sorry, 1 second. I am so sorry. Yeah, there we go. Let me move this here instead, break this here. All right, but let's get back to what we were doing. I'm so sorry, guys. Anyways, what were we even talking about? Adib. I got to plot Adib's trade. And Adib said swing. Oh, are you talking to Adib? Bro, I'm confused now. Bro, what are your thoughts about Canva for editing? It's good enough. I've never used Canva for editing, but Canva is a subsidiary of Adobe. Canva is part of the Adobe's line of products, so it might have really good features and tools. So I'd have to check it out. Not really sure. Hood, good guy. Yes. Oh, okay, he's responding to someone else. Okay, do you swing trade? Hood, good guy. Are you guys talking to Adib or me, bro? I'm confused. Anyways, let me plot Adib's trade on. What did he say he was on? He said he was on AUD, USD, JPY. Okay, cool. He said he took a sell. All right, let's plot this out. Okay, so he said he is 143904 TP. 143904, 143. All right, 904. Okay, that's the TP. All right, he said his stop loss was 144915. 144. That's entry. 144915. Perfect. Okay, and then his entry was, what was his entry? His entry was, oh, I'm sorry, 143904 was his entry. 143. What is going on here? Nah, bro, something not right. Adib, let me try this again. I took a sell trade in at, okay, so 143904. All right. 143904. 143, not 144. 143904. Okay, 143904. Okay, cool. And then your profit level was 148.28. How did I read this so wrong? 140.128. Okay, 148.28. I'm sorry. 828. And then he said stop loss is 144.915. Bro, I might be fried right now, but I don't understand what the heck is going on. I took sell trade. You put it twice. Okay, for me. All right, cool. Okay, so I took a sell trade. Entry at 143.904, so that's correct. Then TP at 148.28, that's correct. And stop level at 144.915. Okay. Okay, no problem. I guess it is correct. All right, Adib, my fault. So this is what we got going on. Okay. Oh, you're swinging, Adib. I forgot you're swinging. That's what I'm looking at this like, what the heck is... I'm looking at it as a scalper. I'm like, Adib, you must see something I don't see. But I get it. Okay, if you're swinging... All right, that makes sense. Oops, that makes sense. All right, let's wish Adib luck, everybody. Let's wish him luck. He said, let's see. Canvas good for pic editing. Awesome. I know that because I used to try it when I was learning Adobe. Oh, sorry, I was learning about dropshipping. Got you. Yeah, I did dropshipping before. I had a I don't want to say success. It was okay. We were break even at a point, and I just cut it because I'm saying it wasn't really for me at the time. Adib put it back in there. Thank you, Adib. I got it. Fauci said this happened 6 days ago. LOL. Oh, bro, wait for your pullback. Retesting probably. What happened? Fauci, what happened 6 days ago? Because I've been yapping for like 5 minutes, so I don't even know what's going on. But anyways, this is what Adib is into right now. Okay, I wait for the pullback. But then again, I'm a scalper. If I do get in here, like my stops are like right there. Okay. As you can see, if I get in here, right, my stops are down here. So it's a little different for everybody. It's a little different for everybody. For those of you who are new and just joining, we took the trade already. The live trade already was taken this morning. All right. We risked 0.5% to make 1%. We went for a 1 for 2. Our aim was a 1 for 4. We 1 to 4. We closed half. Excuse me. The chat was like, close the trade, close the trade. We close the trade. All right. Got to do what my people want. So that's what we did. Hood guy said, I'm bullish on the dollar for next. Okay. I'll be looking for buys next week. Gotcha. All right. So swing traders are doing their thing. Guys, put some snail emojis in the chat for the swing traders, guys. Snail emojis. Swing traders. Slow and steady wins the race. Put some snail emojis in the chat for the swing traders, guys. Put some snail emojis in the chat for the swing traders, guys. Snail emojis in the chat. Slow and steady wins the race. That's what's up. Snail emojis, guys. That's what's up. Scalpers, we did our things in the morning. Now we got to support our swing traders. They're going to be holding until the next presidential election. So let's wish them luck. I was looking for the same trade on USD JPY. Nice. Learn what the deep is laughing. Oh man, that's hilarious. Fauci's laughing too now. Shout out to all my swing traders. Listen, I used to do swing trading too. I used to do swing trading as well. Nothing wrong with it at all. Nothing wrong with swing trading. In fact, I argue if you are new and you're getting into live trading, swing first. It'll give you the calmness. It'll give you the temperance. It'll give you everything you need to be able to learn how to trade. It's not going to hit your stop loss right away. It's also not going to hit your TP right away. It'll give you the ability to endure holding your trades, and you'll be all right. Okay? Next election. Do you know set and forget, learn with Adib? Everyone knows set and forget at this point for sure. But I'll let Adib answer that. Fauci said that's 4 years. No, isn't the U.S. presidential, isn't not this year in November? Right? I know for Canada, yeah, Canada, bro. Canadian politics is something different for sure. But we're not gonna get into politics, guys. This is definitely not one of those places. I don't care who you vote for, what you support. I don't give a damn. Do not do what you want. I don't care. All right. If you have a small capital, swing trading is the best way to grow capital. I agree, man. I agree. It's the best way to get it slow and consistent. Scalping is a hell of a beast. Okay. Yeah, for me it was the opposite. I started with scalping, then day trading, now swing. When I scalp, I always lose. Yeah, bro, it's not easy. People ask me all the time, how do you scalp, bro? Even Marcus agent would be like, bro, I don't know how you do it. The scalping stuff is just not really for me. No, it's not Marcus Agent, it's someone else, because Marcus Agent scalps as well. But somebody else is telling me, oh, it was Caramel. Caramel's like, bro, scalping just drives me nuts. He's like, there's so much noise in the 1 minute. I'm like, yeah, I know. In the beginning, it used to scare me. You get into trade and like the way price moves up and down, before you know it, you're like out the trade or in profit, then back down, not in profit, bro. It's just not good for the heart and the soul. But you get used to it. Once you learn where you're executing, how it all works, it's a lot easier. I promise it's not that bad. Adib is answering Noah. Adib, do you use a strategy? So they're talking. Fauci said, making a journal, having a setup and a plan, exit plan, entry plan, you'll become pro. Absolutely, man. If you just follow your system, you're going to do all right. I just started 9 months ago. I went 0 to 100 after having a plan and set up plan. You guys hear what Fauci's saying? We just talked about this earlier in the live. Somebody asked me how I became profitable. It's you got to find a system and stick to it. That's basically what it comes down to. Obviously, it's a working system, right? You're not just going to be like, you know what? I'm going to flip a coin. When it's tails, I'm going to buy it. I'm just going to... No. There's got to be method to the madness. You know what I'm saying? But what he's saying, absolutely. Absolutely. All right, guys. So today, well, you can see here. We didn't take this trade, guys. We did not take this trade. This trade, Adib is in this trade right now. Shout out to Adib. Adib, we're praying for you that it goes your way. We didn't take this trade as well. What happened over here, right, is what I was looking for over here. But you guys remember I didn't actually put in the position for this trade because I said it didn't show me what I wanted to see. Okay. Yeah, it's also RT reward and psychology. Risk to reward and psychology. Okay, I think Noah's responding to Fauci. Learn with the deep. Yeah, but have you watched this course? Fauci said, fam, the crazy thing is it could be simple as 1 to 3 and you can be profitable. That's the crazy thing, is that trading is very simple. That's why, if you guys notice, all my, like, when I keep breaking down how I trade, it's 3 things. I think I wrote it on gold. It's 3 things I'm looking for when I'm trading: market direction, market structure, point of interest. That's it. 3 things. Nothing else. I used to have a long checklist of first price has got to cross this, and then after it crosses, you got to see a spike in liquidity. There's got to be some grab after the consult. Bro, what happens is you get analysis paralysis. You end up doing nothing, right? As my uncle used to say, always, he would say, always thoughting, never thinking, right? You always thought you were never actually thinking. Bro, Africans be on some next stuff, bro. They just be talking. Wow, bro. I had an uncle who always used to say, hey, don't try to be smarter than you are. I'm like, what? What does that even mean, uncle? Yo, this uncle was different, bro. So one time, let me tell you guys a story. One time, right? My uncle was, this was like grade 7, okay? This was like grade 7, a while ago. I was young. Uncle was staying with us, right? He's looking for a job. So he goes, I go, uncle, you want to hear? I'm like, I have a question, because he's really smart. You know how Africans are, bro. They don't play with education. So I'm like, uncle, I have a question. He goes, what is it? I'm like, uncle, is 7 plus 3 11 or 11? He's like, 7 plus 3 is 11. I start laughing. Ha 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 ha. No, uncle, it's 10. He grabbed me. He said, never you do that again. He said, the way you phrased the question, you deceived me. I said, uncle, it's just a joke. He said, no, let me tell you. Next time when you ask the question, bro, I never told uncle a joke ever again, bro. Uncle takes these things too seriously. Too seriously, bro. So shout out my African people, bro. I love my African people. They are hilarious. Yeah, uncle was on some next stuff. I never told uncle a joke after that, bro. Uncle was different. Oh man, uncle. If you guys grew up around Africans, but you just know they. Yo, my friend. Okay, so I have a friend, right? I grew up in Toronto. What's his name? Fauci would know this. I grew up in Toronto. Grew up around a bunch of Somalis, right? So I had a Somali friend. We call them Somalians, but I had a Somali friend, and he asked me one time, we were in science class. He goes, yo, bro, what's the craziest thing you've ever done? I couldn't think of nothing at the time. I'm like, I don't know. And then I'm like, wait, why? What's the craziest thing you ever done? He's like, well, he used to live in Kenya. He said one time he was in Kenya, right? He was on the bus, and he's like, you know how it is in Africa? Those buses, they speed. It's not like over here where they have a speed limit and they stop at the railroad tracks. In Africa, those buses are going, right? They got to make quota. So he's on the bus, and then he said his friend just woke him up and said, yo, bro, you missed your stop. And in Africa, if you miss your stop, like coming back home is a different thing. He said he was so dazed when he woke up, he just opened the door and jumped out the bus. So he said he jumped out the bus, right? He said he was rolling so fast that he passed a guy on a bike. So eventually he ended up in like some ditch. He said when he woke up, there was a bunch of people around him. He said out of nowhere, it sounds like out of a movie. He said some African guy with a sombrero and a toothpick came up to me and he said, if you ever do that again, I will kill you. Yo. Yo, that is hilarious, bro. Africans, I'm telling you. So, okay, all right. Last year, it's a little bit sad, but a little bit funny at the same time. Last year, I lost my father, right? Around the same time, right before my birthday. So we had to go to Africa for the funeral. People are crying. So we had to go to Africa for the funeral, right? So we were on the Air Ethiopian plane to go, because we had to stop in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is very beautiful, by the way. So we stopped in Ethiopia, but on the way there, these 2 American girls got into a fight. They were sisters, so they were arguing in the front, and out of nowhere, they started throwing punches, right? They started throwing punches, and then after they had to get separated. So the girl who, I guess, started throwing the punches, they moved her to the back. Yo, the captain came out. Yo, Africans, they don't care what's going on. Captain came out. Plane is running, right? Obviously, co-pilot is driving the plane. After the African pilot came out, he walked up to the girl. He goes, you are a bad girl. I am taking you to jail. I am taking you to prison. He said, I'm going to turn the plane around. I will send you to America. You will go to prison. You're a bad girl. You're a bad girl. Bro, I was crying, bro. My wife was in tears. That pilot did not play, bro. He told that girl, you are going to prison. I'm making sure of it, bro. Oh, man, I love my African people, bro. They are hilarious. Oh, man. Facts, bro. The bus, you have to jump on them if they don't stop. What? It's true though. Kenyan buses are rockets, bro. Bro, I know, bro. And African stuff is no joke. Even in my wife's country, you guys kind of figured out the other day when my wife was on stream. She's from the Caribbean. We went to her country a couple months ago as well, bro. They have these little minivans, bro. When they take the turn, the whole van will be leaning. I remember one time we saw a bunch of them doing that. We came back. One of them was actually tipped over on the side, and people were crying because they got into an accident. Bro, these buses in our countries, man, they're not good for your soul, bro. Not good for your soul, not good for your health, man. There was one story, actually, this happened in Africa. This was like a while ago. This is like years ago. So, you know, back home, everybody's very like religious. So before they start the car, they usually pray. You see what I'm saying? So one time the car was driving and somebody in the car said, yo, let's pray. So the driver closed his eyes, bro. Bro, next thing you know, everybody's missing body parts. I know it's not funny, but like, next thing you know, everybody's in a jigsaw puzzle, bro. It's yo, yo, I love my people, bro. That's crazy, bro. No lie, that was all over the news at a point. That was hilarious, bro. Hilarious. So, needless to say, if you grew up around Africans, bro, you had a good time. You always had a good time. You always had a good time, bro. You know what I mean? From the mispronounced words to like, you know, just always doing something funny, bro. Africans are always just doing something funny. I saw a video where an African guy was at a grocery store. Somebody was pissing him off, bro. He goes, hey! He goes, hey! You think I'm a kid? He said, you haven't seen somebody who's mad. He goes, hey, you think I'm a kid? You haven't seen somebody who's mad before. He said, I'm going to blow your nose off. All right, that's my last African joke, I promise. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Accident reason, closed eyes. For real, bro. Like that was super well. When I heard it, I'm like, bro, what? Bro, help us in my country, same. They drive like crazy. Yeah, bro. Listen, if you're in like the US, you're in Canada, maybe even the UK or in Europe, you're spoiled with how kind the bus drivers are in terms of their driving. You go to any other country. We were in Colombia the other day. Bro, they just drive. Bro, it's fully red. Mans look left, right, and just go through the light. They don't give a damn, bro. They're just doing whatever they want to do. They're doing whatever they want to do. The traffic. My wife's country has one stop sign and one traffic light. The traffic light doesn't work. You know what I'm saying? It's a wild, wild west over there, bro. It's a wild, wild west, bro. I don't even know how we got here. We're supposed to be trading, bro. Oh my God, that is hilarious. USD JPY. Listen, Adib and everybody else who is in USD JPY, the trades are going pretty well. Oh, decrease me there. Yo, we got to watch that, bro. We got to watch it. Let me see if I can find it. Wrong one. Let me see. I think it's this. Let's do YouTube. And I gotta type in decrease. Oops. Yeah, there you go. For you guys who don't know what this person's talking about, this is it, okay?
Sending money home with Remitly is easy. So when you're cooking a furiro and remember your husband's mom's birthday,
this guy's an English major, by the way.
Where are you going? Venda. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Sure. The sun is too hot. 42 kilometers. Sure. It's too hot. 42 kilometers today. 42? Sure. Oh, it's hot. What is your name? My name's Armakaz, yes. I'm the king of Venda. I was on TV. I saw you yesterday on TV. Yes. Yes. Demrova, yes. Okay. Decrease me there. What? No, leave me alone. Put me down. Yes, I stay here in the Kotane, but this is home. Oh. Home. Me stay here. Bus stop. Yes.
Bro's English subscription ran out, bro. Bro said, decrease me there, put me down, leave me alone. Yo, this is home. Yo, hold on, let me check the comments. Real quick. Oh my god, I'm down with laughter. Connect me to the earth and delete me from the car. Drive without me. Be my ex-driver. Bro, unkidnap me there. Backspace me there. Ban me there. Uninstall me there. Oh my god, that is... Stop being my driver there. That is hilarious, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh. Hey, yo, this was... This was a hilarious stream, guys. It's 12:09, brothers and sisters, my lovely foreigners, and to all my pineapples out there. You guys, I unfortunately have to go. My time has expired, but I love each and every one of you guys. If you're new, join the Discord. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. All right, guys, we're going to be back on Monday. We're going to start a brand new series. Make sure you don't miss it. Every day, we live stream from 9:30 a.m. to about 11, maybe 11:30 a.m. as well, sometimes 12. All right, guys. So unfortunately, I have to go, guys. Make sure you like this the stream, that helps with the algorithm, and I love you guys. I'll see all of you guys next week, and I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. All right, guys. I might be doing something for you guys soon, so be on the lookout for that. Follow me on Instagram to see how everything goes. Noah said, all right, bye, bro. Nice stream. Raizaki said, see you next week for sure. Shosho said, fire. Hey, love all you guys. You guys have a good one. Gang, Fauci said, all right, gang, love and safety. For sure. You guys too. All right, guys. Have a blessed one, man. Love each and every one of you guys. See you guys next week.